me dofopa eye me dese wachim wafidie na ato Adom TV dwumedie we eye enkranhye adwumedie ade bra oda biara da me da sese wasin konwa enempo da kateso na wo hwe me nyame nhira o onyame mu abaso na oma nya ba nyina anwie peyo enedan edin yam yeso ene nitekutego na dwumedie me de bra afri Adom TV studios na medika ka kire se enema bi wo ha wo ma na hye wo so na empo edi wunya de dika ma kire wo se wo ma na de atwa mu na hye wo so a obre ene de me de ba no the opinions and judgments of others enkrofo timopo ene won susuye ene empo atemo obufo abrabo no se hye wo so a e ma bre. Very often many people are controlled by the need to fit in and feel wanted. Once you are doing hey, ebia na obish. So pe pese me so ya me gaga me so makohye. Ebia wo adwuma bi mu no obi mema mrante wo nyina pema na me de me nyina me se me mpa bi. Se pese me kan mo ho a se me kopa ma ni bi. Wan ko bi ayi kwasa wo de wagi mi hey. So many of us always want to fit in and feel that we are also having a sense of belongingness. Be careful. The opinions and judgments of others may not be right for you. Amanfo timopo onsusuye eni atemo odi bu wo sesebe wo de won samfata no enya nokore. You can choose to travel down the path you choose for yourself. So opesa wo ye nioma na amanfo ene je ho keke. If you want to do things because you want to please others, it can be a curse on your life. Matari shim meniyem me ya na amanfo abo agye me so sebeta frache no me o ye bibia bisam hunu se ade a me bayo yi ene ade a me kan sebeta frache 1 edimu. Is it worth it? Edimu. 2, is it productive? Edem fasode bebreo. Is it beneficial to me and others? Aso ebeti me aka obi abrabo ma na ye. These are the 3 major things I say, you know. And you say, is he going to be pleased? If I'm not pleased, so what you do? Say wo ye na anso mani antide e bia da me pe enye ne awo pe na da me ne gye ho enye ne awo ne gye ho enti be ka say ye bi ma me a se wo ye no akwan so de edimu de so ani de safata and de mfaso de bebre me no mienu sa na ebubra. Before you do anything, you must ask yourself, am I doing this because I want to do it? Answer baby bi na day say what ton ade say no ho kan na tifie say wo ja ne wo na say wo nan fofo say mpo wo ma obe bibi anabeka bibia bisa won say, am I doing this because I want to do it? Me ye we esanse me pese me yo. Am I doing it because I fear that I'll be judged? Me ye because me so be maten. And am I doing it because it is worthy that I do it? And I may ye because so I am faso na esefata. You see, you were born a unique person. Oda soronko. Etete okwambe so na mom kwa tete wo no nkire se ebia ne ka kire wo nyina na enokre ufa kura bi ase ufa kuro bi mu ufa ne ma bi mu eno nkire se ne ma ufa mu nyina na sefata empo ye ma akwankire bi eno nkire se ne nyina na edimu semre wanyi kaka ese wotra se na wo samu ebisa won se emra mi hwa no eyese me ye nkwada neoma emra mi hwa no eyese me samu yi nkwada neoma edi emra me so no madwene ye nkwada adwene na manyini nso ye ese me to nkwada neoma na ekine na me pe empani yo neoma edibu bra me num kanea o abrabo mu esan se obi ebu aten me mun kanea o abrabo esan se o pese wo ye na eso abi ani so be ye na aso bi ani a ese eso na ni wo kwampaso ye se ebia wo ye na wa gya ho trara se me ye keke esan se ma anye ne sa mafo ba judge me. If you want to live according to the judgment of others, in Ghana, you'll be living according to 30 million judgments. Ghana, ripa opepepe eduasa. So, yena ubia judgment to be dia. You are the manager of your life. Learn to do things that are rewarding. Learn to do things that are worthy. And learn to do things that are beneficial. Indeed, learn to do things that are morally upright. And learn to do things that are legally acceptable. Oye bibia. Etwamra ana edi emra so oye bibia ye fa no pepepe yo a ejina pepe yo kwan so oye bibia aso nyina so eye di edimu aso ye bibia ne nyina so ne de safata and now ye bibia ne nyan so ne ne de fasode be bra no obi. These are the way you have to look at life and how you make decisions. Shine your light as you are. Don't care about what others care about your life. You are living your life for yourself and for others indeed. Braba obono utiwo o ya dia ma ho ne nkrofo. Eno nche se nkrofo atemu we de onimu ye we de ansem fata ni te ko de sa na ote we de na aye wo ya na de bu brada bi. We de untimi nya we de we ya bibini wo Ghana ha chokoje bo na be nche onyo ofe ana wa oto voter region untimi nya no mfa ho be bia mefire. Said dia mesua dia akoduro. Said dia madwene adip mu akoduro. Said dia menni ye ekita me a ni nyansa adware me no. Me gyina so aye de sefata. Me gyina so aye de esuani. Me gyina so aye de edimu. Na me gyina so aye de mfaso de bebrɛ me no obi. Me gyina so no no. Me gyina so enye nia wo dwene ho. Me gyina so enye atemu awubu me. Me nyina so enye aniwa bi arehwa me me obi wo kra okokro mu na nipa me no bi hwe no na atoba me nko bi o ma yese matade enye fe wa fifie wo hwe ani mu ahwehwem wa na ekere so ho nye fe me obi okogya nipa dodom na okasa kra no wasi ne ti ase ye mbeka se ma no apempem ye mbeka se amanfo be ye me hwe se suba no jamu se me de me fere ade wa na ekasa o fere ade eye atemu a wadwen so amanfo bu wo na ma wa fere ade na wa ye bote na ti nipam na kuduro oyo mama oyo benten oyo daache hene mapa enti sinkonya na ka kire won se me ade a me bia no se me suamu yie na me domo suko na me dimu nyansa akwanso na afi me suan wie no se me nya kuduro na me ka se meyo na me wi a me hwe benkum nifa na me hwa ne se asodi a meyo no asodi a me ka no edimu esefata esani se emumra bia so ejina pepepe yo akwan so na ede mfaso ba brame na obi se we nyina aye ane de a mekoso aye abusua wabrabo esombo wate enti nya wabrabo nhye ni pansa na minimo bi a oye bibia obeka ho asem yese de abe bia nipa benya ho asem aka ofro kai ebeka onante ebeka sabe wonu nsuo dodo ebeka wanu nsuo so ebeka enti wa hwesem yi ne esefata wo ne edimu ma wo na ye de eye aye de esefata na gina pepepe yo ne mra kwa so ne bu bra na se de tie bia no emfaso ebe ya wodia aha na meja wo mo ma mi nikan na wo a wonya akwan hwe me ase ya na wa kire obi so onhwe Adom TV badwam dwumadie no na efe me na daache hene me producer ase menya Thomas eye me camera me nko sound me na Frank ase me nko MC lighting and floor management ya me damu nyina ase wo so woni onyame ntina.
Yamwachi biem dase do oba Adom TV bedwam so yadani te kotegwa se ne nkwanshan sama no penso ode amaye de edu so no Adom TV bedwam kase ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ni dom kuma wo mrahye bedwafie mu din nafo aduonu ba ko ama governor ohwe Bank of Ghana so no na bedi akiremienu no won sori adedie so na ne ma ekon wonwunan dodo yade honsam no ebebramo ke mempenifo hwe ni mu kwanse ne tricycle riders aduonu edumienu wodom kwa kogina adaka mu eno ne sembi ena anopai mede bro sa Adom TV bedwam kase hweme live on Facebook/Adom TV Go TV channel no ye 119 DSTV channel no ye 280 mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie se den samni chiremu ankasa etie ekukuma wo mrahye bedwafiem ede aduonu ba ko atoho ama Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Ernest Addison ni na so afo mienu no se wo mu mfra dedie no so wo mu anye eye 21 days no a wo mu ankasa be kire wo mu kwan Adom TV kase etwaso.
So recklessly, the government of Ghana has so recklessly mismanaged the central bank and brought it to its knees and cannot remain at the helm of affairs of the bank without being held accountable. Those who have led this reckless and criminal conduct unleashed economic hardship and financial distress on the suffering people of Ghana must be held accountable. In this regards, we in the NDC call for the resignation, immediate resignation of the governor of the central bank and his deputies within 21 days.
Kitaundi aba fotene de ma NDC amanyokuo no Sami Jamfi enso echiremu a ebra na NDC amanyokuo no ewa akonwa so no Bank of Ghana nyamfaso bum yie pa mebi kura broso ma onya bi edisi Bank of Ghana Hospital a ewo cantonments wankra ha eho adansi ewo ho.
Bank of Ghana nya sika kura timi di si ayaresa bia kese and oko cantonment a ye wo Bank of Ghana Hospital. Emra fofia ntoata yareboni coronavirus ebeto yeso ani yenya baabi mfa no. A Bank of Ghana ya the nation builder Yura Mahama ne Bank of Ghana for see and a boa woman.
Wa santamantamu ayeke me assembly no aye ne se wo mo atwi pragiane abobo ya mea bi e wo hono a eni wo kwan se wo mo efa honti adwoadare ne wo mo hyase yi wo mfiri ho wi akire menteme ho ase ko ba mu ma wo na atwi pragiane mu ne ade kosese niema ke mefo toto bo posifo he obi anya ne hye ene me ka sei ya che nipa du mienu a isusuo se de course wo munim hu bi ntine yedam kwa kogina daka mu Adom kase edebe
aha kemefo atenaye emra pragiafo no ebaye no mo pese wo mu ewura mu enam se wo mu enya kwan ewura mu enam bambofo na egua ni ntino mo hyase so mbeto emoba eni ti se wo hwefo me hase ya emoba ni bi na egugu ya se no utimi se bi wo abububu eni ade se wo hwe hase ya enua edua na da ha aboba we esuye pa se wo hwe moja egugu ya se ya enya wonwa se please ni bi eni ho apai na moja enyunu no eyare hosem enesi ha ni na ene se wo mo pese kemefo emomo ekwan na wo mutimi eye adwuma e wo CBD mekire adum pampaso Dr. Mensa ene de kaka ho afia kunadu kasamafo edema kemi wode tudwa se eno ada no emre wo mo sha omudwumadie ase no enchechera hodo pina ekoso eno nti wo mo aso ye den ena mo cheche wo pragia no ede ba kemi ho no enam se na abufuo ewo pragiafo no munti wo mo di tumi ehwe mo nsem ba kemi ho se anko mbese so mo pragia ako
Omoko gange are people numbering in their 200s or 300 say forcibly omobe fadi and everywhere. One che bibi say a tricycle number A wodia into ube fan what if say a will be there now ube we are every yard na face to say nipa kwone ba say obeye amamre fa tricycle no ho na fe ye hu ne dia into yeso ye adwen say until say nipa kwona ye ne dia no beba na emra wo ho anasa asame wo ho ya kan nya de bema nti ho anomde ahoden so ene atwitwa asem ede wura ya de nim so mo koyi o ena ma eye team aye ne omo ye adwuma so resist say nya de obema omo aye nti no ena ho so omo de etoto ebo mpanyimfo no nti mu pra police fo ni bi be inuma sensia me no ka say omo okay me clinic honom ena mpanyimfo no so de achichi ebi e wo honom nti ebi so timi de miensa ekoye ba de aka no de e wo ya adum honom akunum ye de mpanyimfo frɛ military ama mobile so mo netumi ebe boy ma ye disperse e crowd no ma kwan ni mo so etumi da honom nti o mobile ne hu say e stones na omo pedal no omujaye na obia so etumika ba edi kan police ni ba ko eto warning shots or the fire ewem nti ho no so e ma shake kakra ba nkrofo mu na ojaye sebio ebo toto ne niam no e no o start say open baby afa
afia kradu asan ediato edwa say
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso hwe no medi afia amankwa tamaklo yeto so edom akoye nsamfoforo mu na law lecturer wo UPS ora abet kwashiga ena ose Ghana yamamra eye section 208 fa abonofosam ho no anke yensan hwehwemu ebiemu ne tichu de ebema nsantrofo aye wo madwuma ohun ni suro bia enimo no ose yesa hwe ho no mu biem oni Adom kase atwa so
I think that the current law, Section 208, the way it's framed, creates a lot of problems for journalists. Look, we've done it before. We have repealed laws in this country. I mean, if you look at Article 162(5) of the Constitution, the responsibility that is imposed on journalists is a very serious one. Okay? Journalists are supposed to hold government accountable and responsible to the people of Ghana. There should never be any impediment in the performance of this function. And journalists must be free. when you commit that offense, it's a misdemeanor. It could land you in prison for 3 years. I mean, why should a journalist go to jail for even a year, for a mistake which could have been handled in a different way?
Enwachi, President Ghana Journalists Association, Albert Kwabena for Esokade kan ho say, so Wamakwakwa Association yin kwan die, wombe se mrashebe fie chiame na nsem bia wo kan ye defense ntwerejuma no ho, won sika sem ne de oye bema won hwan ha wo mu asetena mu no, enkoya na fafansem na emom no, won mo ebetu ho na mo.
Some say na yon bozo say the call from the speaker on the conditions of service on Central no yasom. I want to stand here as the principal spokesperson of the GJE. Say kasamafua me dance and choku bat and koni na no ka say ye titum say embredu say ese ye nyina no ye hwe.
Director General Dasnet ano de to adwumawura ene adwumayefo nyina nim Sasnet ntento ho no when you obi asudie ne nisuade hunu so obeye bie Dr. John of Written Crime ewo nisuade hunu ewo gidie sentento ho no boaye yendache wanyini pa wontumi nya adwuma no ohia buburo a ede ebimo konsiado empofiri mu kura no itime bra na asenti ewo so obi bia ehye no so na the Snet ntento ho de adwuma ye wura wotua na adwuma ye fofo ede 2023 employers breakfast meeting ye course one crime and Dr. Tenkwan de Sansemi etuja
adwuma ye fo bebre omo we adwuma mu a they gladly contribute to the provident fund. And also the employer and also the big count matching funds. But no, the only the senior yo ene by a bassinet in so media me feel say no cry a sumbu more HM provident fund because near the bassinet no ye betu ya more than near the buy na say uhwe na utimu say ahoke kana omede koye provident fund no enni ho e bassinet na twa say bibi ntwa yiye. Na mi boom ani no mi hu se ne ntwa yiye ne se amanfo bebre entesnet nase
Wasan editu dwa se afi we June bosome no sika 132 million Ghana cedis ana womo agye free enwumakuo a womo entua snit emma womo enwumafo no wasan de to dwa se snit enye na adwen se ode sa omanfo yi ebekọ court na emom womo hwe anim se omanfo so ebedi womo enhyehyeye so.
So this year, ABR for the month up to the month of June, ABR we have about 132 million. But me nuabema, and yes, sir, me dese obesore no akofa adwuma wura se besi yenkonko gina court. First of all, say weekend. Weekend there was a coffee ko ye you do hono ne nam court. And send them fata. Enti ni ebedi kind say ye no ebedi nkita ho ne aka kiro say ye was said yes was so ye. And in fact it's good business to do that.
Sama for the Seshi Dwaboso District Education Directorate yes Sylvester Japan. Nene wasi school mofra won so school krono nyina waje school no twi pragia na fe galamse en won mo ye won potamu hadwin ye oni Adom TV kase edi nkomwe
Adisiafo apem ahanwatwe ene aduonu mienu ena atenase a womo twere BEC ensosho wadwaboso mensirim atoye tefe mantamu kasamafo Edema District Education Directorate Sylvester Japan echiremu a adisiafo no afibia won sote awde toto afrasa ho a womo atwere wondi kwotwere nsosho yi na womo edoso pa ochim sesei ekamaya se adisiafo edi won ho ahye pragi atwie ene galamse yemu a onya sika free munti enwomasua emfa won ho.
Most of the kids are also engaged in galamse. And for that matter, instead of them to sit in the classroom for us to teach them, you will be seeing them in the galamse site. And Pragia too is doing a lot of damage to the children. Some of them, as soon as they know how to drive, they engage themselves riding Pragia instead of going to school. So some of the boys are engaged in that business, getting money in their bucket, and for that matter, they are not taking their school serious. This is the problem. So the chiefs, the opinion leaders, and all other people who have a say in education should help us solve this problem.
Edward no na yema watcher BAC one more ashase na ene make say yachi nipa mienu se exam se chi ana exam si mukro no bo one mu ye bi wodun kwawo secondary technical center no wodun upper denchira east mensini mu wo finfini mantemu ya won ne Albert Adujan ne ya wo adade onyina ya chechrefo Adom kase edeba
Enrajo aposifo Echere enipa mienu bi a wosu se wode apo ekọ Dunkwa Secondary Technical Center ewo Apadencha East Mainstream wonfimfim mantemu. Enipa mienu yi eye Albert Edujan ene Yaw Adade. Ya wo mo ya kyerɛkyerɛfoɔ ɛwɔ People Calvary ene Oxford Sunday Schools. Na wɔkyerɛ wɔn wabra na ensosha amofra no ɛtwerɛ no. Wɔtwerɛ ho anu yie nyinaa wɔde ɛkɔ akɔma adesuafoɔ a wɔtwerɛ BEC nsɔhwɛ ɛwɔ center hɔ. Enema bi a wo ho ɛyɛ mobile phone mienu ene question paper womo aso awie sesei wode womo kwa posifo aso ya enche wode womo bekwa akogina court senti posifo enam sankrata yi so ebo bibia akokose wono mu a enam akwambone so ede apo ewura BC centers ahodo no aposifo ehunu womo a wobekire wom ama emra na wo enkran ha eyela wireless center no wala dadokoto pon mensin mu no so a school for me no one more actual science paper no wie ye no de aka one man twere obu aketem ekọ emunkyire mu Adom TV edeba.
We were all present since yesterday, but during gun 2 of them ran away saying they can't ride the gun, so they ran away without our knowledge. Without even informing us, we went to the room to share papers and we find out that they are not around. It is their colleagues that are telling us that they say they can't write the language, that's why they have run away.
Onipa baako a wojina ma omanfo atone so aba ama MPP amanyoko no ewola dade kotopon Dr. Joseph Gerard Nyanyofio enso ede nsem se na tudwa.
And all the stakeholders must be concerned. The investment that has been made in these children, they are accounting for it, and we cannot gamble about that. So I came here. I've seen a very relaxed atmosphere. The children themselves have told me that they are very confident that they are going to pass in flying colors. And I'm very satisfied with what I've seen so far.
And kwada wo afefro ne wona afefro so awrade adom wahye wo mo BC so we wo mo trebie ya no wo mo share complementary education agency ase no de wo mo hunu be de bi wo mo kono ne Adom TV akasa.
Miana me pe me yen krabo ne nsem na me koin na me wo yi nti na me person ka me ko school grad na me madam ko ba ko kaka hye me say o mati school bi say e wo ba bi nti me mra me ka nti me senka me nko bi every say na ma wo na so ma me kaka hye me say me so na me so me wo e na me jai ko tena fi Timetina fi na madam for be catch them say what is so much complementary education and I made me shame na kaka sana and then means matimi acho busy
Wanu siye and acting regional director with that complementary education ano ewo bono mantemu ore Nicholas Ameyaw enso echere aproba wo ko ye eni di wo hunu ye
nkwala dudu a omo betwira adesuafo no ye o mema no aduosonson ena mma aduosianu no ye mu aduonu baako omo ye nkwala maya o manu fie du nwotwe a o ma wo a ena ma wo nti no magya tifia nyame adom dwumadie we ye de bayi omo de omo ho abesem bia omo so wo ha omo twere nso bi aban
Yanko brekum mensimu wo bono mantam no monso a school for no mu bi susu se 2 hours na wo de tro science paper no de e shadodo e shakura de ma wo mu fi se questions ne doso emre no susa oni Adom kase akasa
compose na as a wedding kakramanta compose na question 5 no so na wedding kakra
Maestro na wedding kakade yesiana no panoso wala bitete that time na a sentient na I'm sure the baby
no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no pay na hana bema kwan na yede ni nyina si aseda ne ya wodia so oje bre hye ye na watie nsam a ekoso memo awrade mfa obi a nko fanemra asomdwiem yegusoa ye adwuma no fi se Bismarck akwasinsia aka incoming honorable member ababijira ne na so wa hanti de de obonkrata ne de ba ne ukwada no pe wode maye beko adomonline.com so ensem egu hon so ye de beba wadaroma upie dia onye ohyenkani share live on Facebook/Adom TV bebi abeko bia say Go TV so a 119 channel Adom TV share na DSTV so a 280 honorable kwasinsia ye mo ache
Mrs. Efia Amankwa Tamaklo
na bibia boko
nyame ado nanso e
nyankopon adom
ye de nyame ase
ahwe asidi
ade a chinye de na se e kwano abamu an se de na 2 hours ni so
nyo no kwa na kom doso ono ye bo ne
se tu afia science de untimi na untimi ye ma 30 hours kra afia
obua
eto da bia ne obetwere na obeti no so ne obetwere afia beti no e de nche ne obetwere abetwa
se wala what's the questions in doso compose ni doso it 2 hours na se be yo mbe ya twa wie ho I just say aye problem and also na morning
say na Wednesday
and na Wednesday nyame adom kakra ka omo de ko omo wie Friday na kwasi na nka mempa ye nyina ne se nka ye ente malpractices bia enso yakwachi achechire fo wienu ewo odunkwa wi yes ramu from what sign ma me sign kodai and me de nyame ase se anya nwuram ni aba betwa obi de we according to report na hwehwe wo and ya age wo mo nti erade ne because kwasi nkra ne hwea de o omo na o womo nda nti no mempa ne se ma wombre no enye kwa mombre no enye kwa na yensan hope say afeda se said teenage pregnancy nkam kra wo nto wo mo bonade no eda ho twen wo mo rashe
e ma twere pa o
e ma na twere
yes
se wo se wo mo nyim kra e ma wo de ba
yes
e ma ye breso no wo ne ho na akwanyim abeba wo kra mpese obi abehu wo shede mo mo emema no ma ya de girl child education campaign no ekoso mo nyine mo se at least anya hwe kura SS certificate bi de kura ne fanante nti mesre ma you are mon to mo bo eye sa na tie eye stage bi awudu ho awo pre no wa pre o pese o kan hwe afia ba be da ho na obu na nichi munya abotre na obenyina ba beto mfanya hwe ne da wo sa obi abre ti munya abotre mpre wo ho abrabom o ko school na unko onye mokra na da se na onye ma de tro so ati ase mu nto mo bo na mo muswa mo ase mo ho no swa nti wan hwe akora yi so so anya be ma ni ti e krokro akosinsi type bi na akofo mai ti bia waso be hye maybe you know what it is ho nyina mo nto mo bo
o mai sha sorry ntem
o sorry ntem o
mi sa se wo kwai
ai o monitor
o si oni ba bia o ko
3 months nti no o nti me nua kuma mo nto mo bo abrabo mu enye Russian na botre o emre no wo ho mo obi a na botre obenyinu aba benya wo de papa ti mo sua de
wanim ko ho
wanim kwa de sua no ho ne ja we ni mampanifo no ate e be kakra e be ja to ho ese akura ho ne ya sori abegina
mwani enko ho
enko hwe PR ya bre ene ore man kura no obune
we ade de se oba de o waware ase na nso nsa ye bibi ne sika firi nso nsa mo ba
o ye
ukru no ebu mo o take decision me on to take you out
o kan ho
yes because him say at least o 1 cedi o 2 pesos bi be contributed adrena wo fa no
e man so de contribution de ye pa
ti e kai
ye tua pa
edwa na wudi a oba moni nko ho ne di ne ye
ye wo ye bia
school na betimi akwa jiro ho ne ko ne ma bi so ye professors so betimi akwa akodu sa pempen so na ko se dwa na so betimi edi na mfa so betimi abaso a di na mo woni nko ho why empronyi se no e ya doso dodo
doso anya se ya doso ase se no wotimi de best school ni nti onfa ho
obia mfa se uze ye so akwese enye me nko a
awati ase se abe
normal ebi abi kedi pa be se 4 class edi na chi
normal onyem kro onfa ho mesro to bo emema no so ye nka bi nkyere mo yesere mo enkra mo abada yi kondom na gu hoyi mo se mo mpe eno akwa de news no mu no ye de enko ye for ye de test HIV nti ye different mesere mo munyu su kondom no enye nyinse nko na condom prevent infections nyarwa
enemu yare
enemu nyarwa hodo eyi free mo na wo akra keto wo to ma me nchen wo da ma me dem o so makwanye mo ba nti sa akra na ye de ne ba wiase no bed no ho aso na ebeda nti munye careful baby amodre ye ntimi isi wa no kwan but protect yourself obia mo no ho ban oba bo ho ban me nkonko ye nwie no wakọ drasto akoto nro da bi o se wo ne ma da che fe wo na na abrewa bi on kan fe na de ko she kwa ko bo ne bayi mumie nyina ye nye
ashe special fia me ma na asem na mo o kan se bi be ma de usisu from JHS o se ohunu ha wa opese obra no eye the next 15-20 years.
Sir. Adi a walk when
so share the BFia me can bomb me and Casma Bass say. Metina Santimampon for the past 20-25 years. I decided to say Emprampomen Chimbuamampon.
Oh, okay.
It was not because na me ninyo ho. It was because one meaning baby am wo.
Sir.
Baby am pesa me. Any age you can pesa me worry. Two, mempe emma ye be wo bi wo ha. Ye be wo bi wo ha.
Sir.
Se bi fesu ani so. Ese me de. Say na me pesa me ye.
Nti nya wan wasa wunya ayi. Oge.
Daily guide.
Hey, Kwesi.
If you are daily guide.
No one is so ashamed.
That has a time.
Time we answer. And then one man who secret. And yes, one room more to answer. And never Kwesi, yeah. Now, no, do. Eh, to Bobby after BBC when you so. Kwesi, yeah, dear.
Yes.
Because Nyasa and the first, you know. We said any other than our quite so.
Kwesi when you so. Say, and Muba won't mention. And no dear. And Muba won't mention.
Eh, God.
You don't bob bra. Naka crem. No one let me show ba. Atete na onam ni kwa so ma ba famu bi. Debi.
Fenu sha wa dream.
And also doubt him. Etu to na mo bi etu na mo se bi to na mo se.
Me dache me.
Bre na me bre ne no. Me ba me wo no on famu bi. And na kire so wa bo bra kwa animu. Na wo be ba be huna ma ne kura chense na ofa ye dia. Eh unua.
So no akra no from day one na wa bra.
Yes.
You want to papa bi ani ni tirim. Ohunu ni po ohunu sa akokọ okuni free. Ti esremo wo de obetumi.
Yes.
Show hu no de obetumi aye. Na me driver. Insura. O ye chese akra so wo ne ba na chi da. Akra nya tete so wo ne chi me say oh ba ko pe de. Say no wo de esi na de because na no hu nuru mienu ni ade.
Debi.
So we na wo wa keke. Memma no ya o se na oba na ye. Wo so ka ho. Memma no mo ha ma.
Control show ho so.
Ya ka say family planning so
show ho so. Show ho so.
Mo me anya careful.
A ododo ye. Ba so ba wo na ntimi hwa mo de kwa so ni so.
Sa. Eye pa wo ye japade obi wo ho wo ne ba bia ne dan si wo. Wo ne ba like school wa
ya hyehyɛ ne bra na to wonom saa bi wo fie de afan mu se ne ehia mo ne matimi ama Ghana economy na gina so na se ye be wo ne ba ye bed ne ama Ghana economy de esere mu jai
no ba la sulala no sresra dia praketo no nam kwa ho sresra dia
ya kore bi afia na wura ko
oh
e bi approach na ye ma che
hamen pranketoa akraketoa 3 years nam kwan ho 3 years just ye ja wo mo sa no mo ne nam kwan ho okay see no akwasi ya nya de here
okay afa daily guide and start here na and please aid Cecilia stolen $1 million. Suspect bought 6 mansions. And 6 houses.
Then when you small
6 mansions. Where you
years no.
Yes. Where you anymore?
Oh, so
and not 2 cars. Honda Accord back. 180,000.
Wow.
Ghana cedis. Sika de afia won someone. You see, etina ushia memu ana se sika mo se omumu ade. Sika ma wo.
Emma wo
to me be because near ye be ya nse me de me car pemo car. Because me to car ma ana se me sie ma. Wo ye na me frɛ garage. Pato mu wo Honda Accord bi wo ma fia ba ko ma me man ba ko. Eti 6 mansions. 6 mansions. Enye fie o. Mansions.
And away.
Say be what tamale be one crying. And what
happened?
Yes. So obobra. On pese obekwa kodu kumase na afi no ko an hotel.
No.
O pese ba bi obedru bia na at least obeso the key mu no akwa bie ne pono. This is a brabo.
18 years.
6 mansions.
2
cars.
Obi mre mensire de na de atwitwu.
Eti kakakra kore ma maybe na kakakra ka echi no de kakra so to say 2 no watermale. Ti go fix efie bia mu ne ne cars.
O ya de oluku sharp ho de but from no na.
2. And I see a mama sister that also amended the charge sheet. I feel the $800,000 na na see any nwana wo wuni dia no. O siska ni ono ane dia. Burger Court remands drug thieves. Headmaster chops BEC registration cash.
No, sawa pa no okay.
Na evia isi ye ba no so no ye ma me so efe e twom. Na bi e kan. Tie news. She news.
Entie ba bia so keke.
So, enti baby she news
utie wa Adom FM like multimedia platform
asem enye na aba ya kan was ya kan was fit to say yentua registration fee e wa ban sukum yentua in fact yentua registration fee
you say one man kure they say o made just o mo ye reset and
say headmaster no ko fi o sa ka kire mo na yes odomission next year.
Can you imagine on the decide o life
no nekita registration fee na wantua
and headmaster 400 ne hwan nti woni ada na bi mo kura to me men ngwase be kan whole family sir papa ana ya go mo ho ba bi
buduapa buduata ya
adai papa
da bi afiam ko sika kase mu ni pan mu ase
nwanwa o fia 400 ene nkura mienu na eda nti na nkura mienu penso na odi o musika
ti ose ye man next year enu na ne ma atoto ye
adai wo bi da
headmaster
and then everyone know what kind of so
yes bro yes so friend so for
abefa
meba no dey atoso se o ma bunfu bebre o ma nya kuma ya
enya yeka
yes ti meba yes education director afre no awofo na afre no school panifo no bi afre no obi afre no ofa meba se bi anope ye kasa ba bedru dia
ebi o different planet bi so
NDC sacks Kumawu women's organizer over Alan. Yes, also declare support the Ama Alan Chamati. NDC women organizer. Minority chases Bank of Ghana governor. Daily guide. No. The new crusading guide. Leave within 21 days or we occupy Bank of Ghana. NDC threatening bail for Ernest Addison's head. Western not force for a free year akuto. Western North force for Dr. Efriye Akoto. And no na ye Ashanti region. And I just Western North.
Me who say Ghana for.
Okay.
I say ya na omo say dey you omo I say oh on na be omo ye wicked omo nye. Omo kwa omo ni so nya. So here dey omo kire.
No fear na make out I dey make out you say ensuo hie mfa nipa. Omo huru ntontom ala ne ba omiane ne kene Japan dey oh what forget it. Forget it. Party for now say sika wo mo hu no mo omo panipa obetimi agi NPP.
Bosa.
Baby bibia kwakodu no omo hi obi obegi NPP to break the 8. And party for now hwehwe mu amasa.
Mo say Dr. Free.
Because of somebody agree e be yi Ghana free IMF.
Na no ni agree ko ha na yegina.
Because decision no the kwa man panipa no be for power fa. That is it. And wasa ko agree minister. Some man agree minister da. E do count here say. O lawyer.
Wonim de fo no ye benya mfa so.
Every akoto.
Your baby be as yet ha.
Okay. Focus on MPP's achievement. We will continue to invest in the youth. Salah Mustafa and so Ediano. Addressing media challenges, my topmost priority. GJ President. Yes, Central. Everyone. Daily graphic now for Yamco online. Graphic road in Surrey State.
Money.
Yeah, the Yamia Sakura say Edua carriage.
Anka ayo.
She kaka betimi apempem. Enye because obi am person ne car be bam. And also on so usane free. Sa why no mind.
Overhead no so.
Et wo ba no anhwe at least kaka be kom.
Sa. Ti anadwo sa de omani na ho. Ekwan ni nyina sa nye.
Mo amutwa lottery see ye the 10% tax e ba. August 15th.
And then say 9th.
And then 9th.
Till next week.
Next week.
Monday.
Et tu twa lotto na udia. Ye the 2 beto so.
15. Is it betting so come?
Betting so come.
Is it there 20 baby ayeje? Say Facebook nso Ghana ba ko ka kire omo so monye to.
Yes, somebody yeah. Somebody.
Ti 20 there.
Say no there. Any braba.
Mu dwane amuntua na ye to mo.
Any braba.
Because it's serious over 33 million people e wo ma yi mu no. That's a 2% penalty tax again. Where dey akwa anim? Enti obi
entua. Mo twa lotto. Mo twa lotto no. Ye the 10% tax by next week. Mo twa. Daily graphic and we ba no pay.
Politics also you can't disrespect me and expect me to join you. Minister dishes Badwam come for Alan. Enti ano no some afoforo bi obadomonline.com anopai ubenya bre no wakenkan. Aha na bre ma kwan na de bonkrata news no ni nyina no anopai wadaroma yadisi agudie mu nsam wo Professor Ike Wala say ba na fe sister Sandy bi ye guy so e de ahosepa ba ansana sister Sandy beba no health tips no so ebeba ye di nkomo ahwe diabetes type 2 no ho from Joada de Kosi Fiada nti na ewukwada Mr. Otie ene ne de kan ya unsutie bi na fe asemi di kan wo ho Kwesi besa atenam pensem beba ye birthday celebrant no wo ho nkomo so wo ho a corporate interview so ye de bebro nti ye da se enyi free akra twen ye Professor Etwaso.
Kwaba kesi me ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bejonju medie so dia wo kansi won sempa esa kana no pansu ja medindi Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Alregna Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na me kono kwantin kodin sama do esa kana no pansu biu e wo Ghana agudie ejao catch abusuafo na fofo oyere oma wo fasefo na no mukrumu ene opranfo na se prof anya chance de nkomo no 18 saba channel so mam se Richo Cool eno na nourish you dey no na ma start you dey no right but modern da okọ bia na makọ shopping and Richuku enwo nem se be betia bonkola na betia bia no mebeboa papa ne ma me obi ansan kan Richuku go ahead and enjoy Richuku na start today the right the Ghanaian way eno pa ho no na Game Park Limited phone pay for the shishason kwetia saba we chacha so kokra mafo dia edi no enya sem kuma kra catch say daily draw no eba so e Adom TV so 9 am 12 pm and after 6 pm de bi ha e Adom TV so ntibi se o fa phone or tablet na se computer na betia download Game Park Limited for omo enso app no I feel so wait me don't wait to gym easy to play and easy to win and I feel so kwano ye also no ABT os bia e Ghana ha and nti e fa ho gym se bia on sabetia kamula and cash kakraga kudi ebetia boa emaniama etia kwedi ama nobody beats us in Ghana. Game Park Limited they come more mula now I some more power and I feel this game no regulated by the National Lottery Authority and I feel so ni mu free mo twen fa ho nyim ya oto so na odi adwene kakran so etia twen se chachadiwa wa adwene ebetia bom utim betia sa hyehye we mo ene sponsors ni mo etotro to de hwehwehwe mo techira boa emena no penso dia wo kensi wo sempa esa ka no etimi ejaw. After the journey of 1,000 kilometers begins to the very first step, Women's World Cup. A case in the 8th years was uninterrupted, round 16. Western and Chinese Quenra. Colombia's World Cup teams have so far cruised to the quarter-finals. No, Chinese Mom says Spain and Netherlands, Bishia, Yamia, may fear than a seconds in the Babaso. Now for Japan, maybe I watch a snake calculators. No, also Ash and him saying Yamia Doma, Omnes Sweden at the betting time. So, remember Australia, Beton said that for France, now for England, and Colombia for Eddie Kinson at Miabo. So, we a Women's World Cup. And man, will be a na many bono omo ana kopiem Elsa World Cup ya se afi entintom e wo club issues no yemo Ghana komo kakra kuma se krobia asa ne kokanra ana omo kopiem e obepo so omo sha se omo ma ho sisi 18 sapem so na ohwe dwumadi a omo edina na se ansa kwa na omo betu kwan de omo 18 sa kire bepo so de training 18 sa kwaten tam so e wa second Dr. Kakwabi Dr. Keke Sapon de ba kuma so training page no so no na se otumfo osedutu ene emnati 18 sa kasae na oche omo nkran se omo betu aboa emaniama etia koyie ede makuma se asane ko this time isan se no ene betu saboa emabubu koni da achen so etime gina yi.
Where you have a leader who has a vision and he knows what to do.
Kache menana no say football kotoko ni nyina ye mo na mo babo amna ye kotoko no.
You say you can some players no no. The football kotoko team no more and more babo team no ayi.
Ball no nyina ho dede nyina ye park no so mo na mo bo.
You say ball no ho dede ayi na ayi park no so no ani mo ama mo bo.
Any mo technical team.
And I'm planning for a technical team.
Minim say mo nyina bia obi wo manager bi o hwe no so ne ade emom so wodo aba kotoko mu dia kotoko no mane hia ensene bibia wo allegiance wo obi ho na enne wo ha na sechina wo yes wo ni akro ni ho nti ball no nkobo ni ya jai ne ko
so wo allegiance wo obi ho na wa me also wo ti ho wo ni team na mo ni ye no ene na jai ne ko na team na ho
lemon so pe wo abra bom ye
nti otufo say to the second and attending Kankotokura and ordinary Komo 18 Sanger place no and I feel so quite team new beer and a man a Juma Kotoku so monya Sabia season we are ye no Yama Betty and Kuya Diamakuma se Krobia Asan Tekotoko inti Nkoma and also 18 cp mono 90 has for catching and so if any 18 century Patrick or say Ajiman countryman Sungu El Manoso Songo steak Brini and found Komono so 18 mra. Hello Songo.
Professor Otenika.
Meton Kappa.
Na bibi aboko de.
You what ya si bibi aboko na so e.
Aboko dem say whether na ye no hostel bi kakrama. And no man to me share and honey echo, but be fine.
Rather
be because Sindra on the team, and I'm a boy. Simple. O team for you team for team, and I'm a boy.
Okay, Ampa, okay. Okay, cry.
Mr. Ramika, Mr. Mikanana. When you open cry now, our boy, and they were found on one coach. Me boy. You team for team, and I'm a boy.
So wadama dan kakra bi nhwa de ase ewia kakra da wachi ti ewia na ehu na orasta de ehu ase si do dem da bia akoye na aye sa ko ase ko ba bia ufi ba kakra bi ase we be kakra
And if I even have been kakra. Well, others position.
Okay. Inti Patrick Osajman countryman Sungu ana tene ka say odene komo no 8 years aba Sungu stake be samba back hwe ba bia no na say ekwa nim ti yenkum na yehwese ne mesi koso Dr. Nyaho Tamaklu enso board member edema House of Football buku no na supporters leadership na kasa say omontimi hwe anim se kwa bia so mde obuoni ni die ebetini asama omompanyimfo na afenso kwa amafo eboa ema ne ema etia koyede bo no so betia boa ema has etimetumpu.
You have a leader who has a vision and he knows what to do for a club. You follow him. And if the person is not pulling his weight, I personally would just desert. At my age, I'm still a member of the board and I attend meetings. Because I want to make sure that this club succeeds. So when it comes to longevity, we have it in our family. If you pray that I die, you are telling like that. I'm glad to see all of you. Last time I had the opportunity to meet the leadership of the support group in my residence. And I had a long chat with them. This is a club. There are various strategies. If you have anything worrying you, approach the group in which you are, and they will know which.
Dr. Nyaho Tamaklu, or a board member at the Marcus of Fugo, say, we do an impending view to the announcer still. With me and Tay to the church, the Copimo meeting and same amount meetings, also the Fact Club, no, na a don qua, and inti supporters, and also emphasize any dino, and I feel so crano, and she beating a bois, and Mania Marquin, and farm mom. Yen call back to Patrick Osajman. Songo stick, now if you're Heston and Shani City and an pencil. Hello, Songo.
Me
who and papa dear, but we have some message here. Fire me who to the uncle.
But you are that them call out them for the normal working in there, but we are Midinano. And then so that's why I say talk at Nintinama, met mania and coverage me. But me taking you football elections are RFE, the various regional chairman. And Omo Ayo Magri said, Omo endorse and as a Matis almost Omo endorse the current FA president. They should look at the state of our football, not a situation whereby because Omo gets paid, and somebody forcing them to do that, and I will be there more muskase. I mean, money now, more endorsing me now, I should stay in power, and I said, no. The various RFA chair men, the original football ground, almost wrestling in Siko. You understand? Not about what you are receiving, but a footballer. Look at the local league. I mean, apart from the regional football, you understand? Look at the local league. Not about national teams. How well Krana, the regional football, no players, the various national teams, you know. To make sure say your national teams in the if you look at the state of our football, not about say Omu Bibi Umbenya and also be for Sumo and now obi ma bibi to say to ebia to buy their magani and I say nyansa and I say nim there. Check the state of our football. I mean, they should create environment where, I mean, football election no very competitive. They are the regional chairman, the RFs, they rather the state of our football create, I mean, competition among painful mugina for presidency. You understand? And for mugina for executives. They create competition to make sure say football you bring the best. I mean, our football is not the best. Your football, I say, your football come from. They know the various regional football, and as a regional footballer, send how well in is it about what you are receiving? What are you receiving? No trophies, no development. I mean, that bus is a bar. Your monthly pay. I mean that checks to the various regions, and as a regions, and enough. We also you practical say there this omutimi producing players, future players for the various national teams. The national teams in the competition here, boy, trophies. Blasters air fly, but Blasters is not flying. Blasters is dead. Local football is dead. And the various chairman, RFs, please, they should think about the nation. Ghana, when it comes to a football election, Munamukuta, vote, don't just go and say, endorse one particular person because if he say, I mean, Nipano, and the Tesu, Nipano, I mean, football, be analyze that situation. Maybe I am maybe and I say, are we forced? Say, and I say, for some say, more endorse, I mean, care to play because, I mean, it's all cat. It's all cat. You're 3 years now. Over your football, the national teams a collapse, a conform. You to me and qualify. You qualify to swear. You read a good. You understand tournament and national teams in the Kumina and Koye. Please, RFS and paying for them. They should think about Ghana. They should think about Ghana when it comes to the FA elections. And FA elections, so and Yadi also moto president and San Umato, the other regional elections, and you can so muyanisa, and you can so moto presidential elections, and San Umasha say to the other regionals, elections, Please, Mama, be free and fair. Mama, money, yes, I mean, football, it is why ye. And I said, I mean, Tiaka, and I be World Cup or the Mukono, a tournament or the Mukono, positions or the Mumano, and no, and I'm more general. But when Ghana football, say, Koye, same Koye, and Koye, Ghana football, Koye, national teams in Koye, young local football, Koye, sponsors say, how well the Kofoko Park, referees, yet that's what the Womoka, you be season for Friday. Please, football is not all about. President, at year to claim my positions and my sika. I mean, why? Yes, regional chairman, RFS, no munya the endorsement, say a woman endorse you can to clerk say one more and India football. No, create environment competition. Emma Yenya credible candidate and pay for me a Gina, no me Gina ye, I'm a football, Yenya pay for me assistant of Ghana near football and I say 1 p.m. Munchiame life fire for fire 1 p.m. the Navy myself life fire for fire. Never Ghana ni let's keep them on their toes. Football and I say regional RFAs and yes Mosaka and yet a normal Mosaka from president and into also my football say Money, I say we are mature people. No money, no mine, football, no, I say no, and sorry, you're paying for me, and your door, at me and your sponsors, etimi aye adwuma na kasama football na pija na yemu se football na pija enu na wo didi won ho emfaso oba who cares but they are looking for money before omo person mo arrange omo because yemu se various positions are president of so odi amanu nkofo nyina no na football asay one man nkofo position also ka position reflect what caps trophies ye tournament ye developing ye ye football but at the end of course ye 2 years hunu keke and ye de ma nkofo and ye football Ghana football they say when we have a perform betumi aye adwuma no won betumi nya dibre no aye adwuma no let's look at that munya say ye de Ghana football a pesca ye de blasters a pesca ubia person ye president because what the blasters be pesca how mumia junior football on original football no plan
okay Patrick Osajman countryman Songo ana otene kan say or the Songo stake 18 years abre no she no suma me say 10 regional football associations na omo air public endorsement edmark the president Kurt Edwin Simon Okraku e GFO no na BA Brona Hafofo omo president and county omo the deputy and the sabe PMO Sajumedinu afisa 10 regional football associations no na man for say 10 the na Kurt ko but omo represented less than 5% of a year in Kofa Ebeto Abano, which is about 124 Almobit and Santo Abanti, and then Kobubia, Meditachi at the amount. Game Park Limited, said more than the so do between San Jim, 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and then 6 p.m. Draw near live. Our Adom TV should be a more than the song Sabitan Game Park Limited, or Michelle Shelson, Queen Foundjicha Chenim, na nobody beats are us in Ghana. And no Pahono, na Richoku, in Pacho, Richoku, added too much. And Kwalensa can be beating about Papa Panama and Sunubia, and also beating about. So go ahead, enjoy Richoku, and start your day right the Ghanaian way. We more any sponsors on touch the woman and open so. Yet I will cancel on some pine saka 8 mijao. Within the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Walasa, we did catch back up pen of course. Evidence based sports presentation 8 mijao. And the NK now. Sister Sandy be a guy and entertainment. Eba, Niakan Sudi, Niakan Su Crano, and any one Tedano, and a Sister Sandy and pay or the Eba, because some of you know, and that Adom TV Sister Sandy Bedie, and so a bed the more.
Mwakwa benenso de oba Adom Badwam dwumadi eye health tips yi eso washa no so afiri duada no a yedi nkomo afhwe type 2 diabetes ho ya hwe diabetes no ya hwe de deba enne ya hwe signs and symptoms sebi ewo mini pedua no mu a bede na mehu yeguso ne Dr. Dubotin a wo ye Penida Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic ene yedi nkomo yi papa ya mwakwa bebi bibi aboko eda sepa wo kire ya de ye aso obugu ne na poso de maye ya hwe ne makakra ya hwe ne science sebi ewo afia so a bede na mehu sebi a de ye mi ebobo bante wo se meda me ho so
yo medase the surest way I will be to me hu no ene se ene de even drugstores ana pharmaceutical shops ene on kon ba utimi ko se me check me sugar. Okay. Sugar no person will check here. The best way ni say obey bibi efen say fasting blood sugar. Cause anopa na woni di ye no and na obenya the actual reading of your sugar. Na obi wo na say bi ye kan na on person obekọ. De be mu ahunu say wo ye nya diabetes ni bi ne say. Obi o diabetes bi ya na nam say sugar no efa umoja ni mu no nti no. E ma Johnson 10. Nti wo Johnson I say Johnson I say sugar solution. Johnson na be say sugar solution. You can sugar solution na. I say odi sugar egu ensuom. What wa no ka hwe a e ye fem sa na Johnson na be ye. Okay. Yan ka say yan ko ka Johnson hwe. But the be mo hunu say o Johnson no sugar wo mu no. O Johnson gu for mo a. Sanya water closet na ba nso gu mu a. O Johnson gu for mo a. O ko bi abe 10-20 minutes na baba no. Bo ze na ntatia. Atwa hu chenku. Te say o Johnson no ede iti ntatia na sa na ma no epe. Okay. Aha. Ade ba kwa be hunu ne se obo se wodidi ase wodidi 10 in come so dew bibi kakra no anuma ye dry is come dew pa na ma wodidi 10 na wodidi 10 no na wa wodidi o eso so na wo so tia na ete eti wo so timeti a on se obi wo ha opesa na so te ono a make attempt se opesa na so te ba we die enya wo na wo make attempt se wo so te
wodidi so te
wodidi na wo so te wodo num suo mo na ma wo donso ebi se wudi dia aduane no a wo se ke etime boa wo no ni nyina wo donso ni nyina agu dia sa ada ho adi nse etima bebre no ano na wo ba ye bete fatigue bibi kakra bi a na enipa no no abre ekuro to nipa no ho a bo se mpem bebre na mo skin no a little bit rough skin no wesere ase nsoa etimi ba omo ho na mani na go on to you so wuti enso ba ko mu a ekuro no beto wa ehu da eti diabetes no e ma ekuro beto obi ho a very difficult say betimi wu emma bebre etimi nya infections both baby was na sekeka no bebre no an na ya na nya candida bebre no anya bacteria sugar no ekoso no bebre etimi ko fasa ade ne ba mama bebre no etimi mo sexually no omo ye weak ene obi wo kran so a both na ni so no ni kusu ohun ade ye diabetes no to so etimi yes etimi ko fasa wa hawo ni nyina ye de ba eti bo hu se empem bebre no ano etimi bebre etimi ma wo nerves no kwa so etimi break it down it was a diabetic patients both na ho hyehye no bebre ho hyehye no bebre bu a otimi ya tingling sensations as dem panie wo ne honam duanim obu ha bo se bibi ne nam ne honam duanim obu ana ase ne ho twetwetwe no ne honam femfem no ni nyina ye science ya etimi daadi emi ehu se nipa da se ni no the sugar no e wo so ana so
na say ye hunu bibi se no de a eni kwan se ye tena ho
yes hunu bibi se no a enka ya nanka de o se ka ye appropriate ne say we ye basic test ya ka wo se ka obia ka once in a while also otimi kokko check because it won't take more than 50 Ghana cedis
na me ntwa no na say before bedru we na wakeka nde se na diabetes na
take place that is sugar no eko na just sugar no koso pa it won't say so the moment ya bo so wodun so 10 udidi utimu so udidi ya na komodew udidi bebre so so tia na etie bo say honama ye rough kakra utia ekobeta ho a wonko an ekro no enkoda unya hu some of these things we e bema boss wa ho oden no kwa na eden ekofom bo say we oba bo say na infections all the time boss wa sekeka wa some of these things ni nyina ne could be sign a ebo kokose ya de offense diabetes o ye enya bi
that's here nanso Dr. Wudu Boateng na de asafamu ebiemu no timisro se ne wu sa de ne dia ne watu anomo no akọ ayare sabia ya ne say e wo so ochena ye to so na ye hwe complications a e wo type 2 diabetes so se bia ye hu we na wan hwe ampe ho asam anka de de bebrewo eye Adom TV Badwam health tips ene ye de bro medidi afia amankwa tamakru ochena de pache ya ye beto so ene wuku ada na ese wuku kwakuni akwa eda memo akwa bashon ko ba Badwam ma ho se pagimedi so maka cho se world of entertainment ni a hegu ni ese fata wasum ene wani ene de bromedi de Sandra ohime amatiwa na so adwuman nyame Adom entertainment am yenti Ghana for chimo
where the jayo or guy sister Sandy be a guy
I'm the guy's queen akwa bashon ko na yen concept no so me sure wo hwe me nyina no pe McBurry's biscuits bi eto anum sen na yakosa na eda ehu hia se obenya McBurry biscuit enkanka ni breakfast cereal biscuit no kama emu edu no wiwie na abonsuo guso anyi obi na beka che se mendidi o ye fast no ye de ye ma opanji na ye wi a wo de wani a share Grace Gift Herbal Clinic oba besi aware ni to braze ya wo sayare bebre ewo ehonom ntifo ni share Grace Gift Herbal Clinic na afa yendi nkomo yen konsem no eso ne mapi na etwaguo and I think this summer abuche for no events pin so ekoko so na two events many aboso a make ways so social in the media ne so ba ko ye DMV for short na say no DC Maryland and Virginia na omui akoye abusuaku o maka omo ho ehia as a district as a community miensa DC Maryland and afa Virginia DMV any show abuche for omota eka pass omoko party in the park yawo bako UK yes party in the park na make US there no DMV party in the park enu na me no didi ehon enkomo na I think that this year just somewhere July ya obubuki sakode and I fake and promise we dey okobi am short na ho utimi frame me krampa nka mani beje pa na so question na me bisa sesia no ene say twese obi titi ne morem na waye show nya Ghana abrochimemu na se yekro makra ka se wubu kisa akode a sen na abetwa
you will not pay less than 80,000, 90,000. Because last time I started like so 100,000, 1 billion. And imagine so be abefa obede. Any current hit maker or trend can promise. I call US on the Kobo show. Well, I just say no betray omo. Now what cherry cramp no beteneka. And I want to neka no discussion ene ye be discuss ye pa na enye no so nko a. Me who say movie being so trendy. God is not African. Social, especially Instagram honum. Pascal Amanfo, Rosalind and Geza. Me who say air trendy pa. And God is African no. I want me to take her because promo no na so na Nigerian guy crack ho a what na see nyoma seda. It was very, very huge. Na nui ene nempasi atwetwe ho enkomo panji. Mensa aka eye Joba. Oni ene executive producer. God is African. So na me no kano. Ye hu videos. A lot, especially on Instagram. And the promo was huge because to get a Nigerian artist so can ho say ye promo. It's not easy. Enko Joba honom ni no encheche enkomo. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho na pom.
Me na dum pacho na so.
Me pacho nyame adome ho ye me da sipi akwa baba Adom TV so.
Me da wase.
Maso pia.
First me chia what nyina.
Me pacho ya so ye da sipi. We discussing about events in general. I can wa approach me mu se wafa artists. Sa wo do mo betu kwan akoye show. I saw yours. God is African. Me who Rosalind Ngeza, Pascal Amanfo, and this Nigerian guy. And the promo was very huge. And you be Adom Pacho, eka ko mu pay ye me boa.
Tika ko mu ba.
Wow. And how was the promo?
First of all, I mean share what you for ni obi a wo share.
Pacho ya so.
I was social media platform no bibia. Sika ko mu pa na promo no so very huge. I mean, I'm for a boy through social media ne baby bia bebre. I'm for boy bebre.
Okay. Now, me and say promo no you even took it to churches because you wanted it to be very huge and Sinine Kwa say a kind of Christian movie kakra.
Sinine I more make I say 90% a Christian movie. Make 95%
wow.
Movie. This time, most of premieres I mean the theaters.
Okay.
But this particular movie is 95-100% Christian movie. We decided say let's hit to the churches.
Okay.
Yeah, called church. Most of the platform, not to say or more to say theater section.
Okay.
That's why. Yeah, necessary. Yeah.
All right. But did that work? I know Juma so they call churches, to promote it, Did that work for you?
Yes, okay. I would say it's 75-80% okay, but we had some challenges. Some of the churches, a business is okay. And yeah, their father said, "Made the man for free," and I said, "Bibi Sabaka just said auditorium no." Major Bibi Sabaka just said, "Me call for a boy, me technical team for no boy, so almost a day, BB." But now we are hoping, say, some of the churches will open their door for us, say, I collaborate because of moving Christian movie. I try say selling the gospel across the continent and I say the state by state, But like I said, 60% there. To me, about 40% they're winning for the business. Say, just kind of say, yeah.
Okay, I know the maybe kosa maybe say no pay so say. So why are near my way in areas and I churches maybe a business they wanted money no. But I show ultimate worker, ultimate take Canada, especially God is African, ultimate take care woman bia.
We couldn't make our targets.
Wow.
To me auntie say because I was a more flyer now. God is Africa. I was the executive producer.
Yeah.
I'm a executive producer. I mean, correct or no. Pascal Amanfo, who was the executive producer and was the director of the movie. Meme Joba, my name is Tim. Nana Adom, Anna Ike, Adom of Bright Life Media, and also Creative House. These two guys, I'm coming home. I am Yensa. It's a teamwork, and I hear day. You're fine. Until we any promoters, our has say. And the cabia one who be any fire or animals, but you see a better card there, we couldn't meet our target. Like I was saying, how I need a soul phone will be a casai, and how I need some churches need be casai, and yes, I am a corner. We couldn't meet our target, yeah.
Okay, and see, Sano, whether I don't me patch on me, maybe Sabbath, I scope of a canoe, even some both figure and a crown pa. Always me, my some, flight tickets, hotels, or die, any idea, they care home security, Nissan, your money in a. Oh, bonnet of one.
Also, can flight ticket in a hotel. Senka Koya say, and Kabia, to say Americans, pastors in behind, didn't come off from the beginning, say travel to state by state into tickets with a flight and hotels near there, so I'm going to make corners. There at least in care but this is whereby yes, Anna, it be more than any corner. Into flight ticket, and hotels, and having this, this 4 people in number. These are big stars. Omo Kasiapa, Nyesen Ketwa. Na who host to a flight, domestic flight. Who you saw, baby, I don't know also making sure say, you're okay.
Yeah, good.
And how women in a ma can hear the air course. Can I mean to be both figure? No,
I know I did.
And I know this.
Wow. It is say say who scabi da ho no mo a. Obe person obe to be like obe person o say be share business be say mu. Ana especially Ghanaian artists, who was kept that however so
That's a good question. I think it's the last 2 days we had a meeting, my name is team, Adom and Ike, and Tiabo boss so kakra, Yesika di room, any expenses, no be and yes, okay, what is our goal, the next target for ABI, next project?
Yeah.
And said, yeah, I can be there. Abano, because we don't have any sponsors. Sponsors being on my sponsors, doing programs over here, is very tough.
Wow.
To get a sponsor ain't easy. We are a culture to get a sponsor. And say one kasa when you team and ni bibi kakra or more, we require. And sponsor no crowd back. On to me to the expectation. Say be as a casino the amount. They call and bibi salo. And moving forward, no. Say because say be a ye be ya queen. Yes, ye be ya queen. But be a time or no, so be an can 10 times so because if you next if you are the way see in the summer time, no see you be corners time never track because if you are coming back again, we also have to raise a capital or also look into the market, say between some sponsors beer and say between they acquire anymore.
Okay, IT as a promoter no Ghanaian movie, is it worth investing at all?
Dicey. Honestly speaking, it's very dicey. Very dicey. So the industry, service products and Badwam until we took it our upon say okay. We also try say your best seller through the Caribbean, to the Black Americans, Hispanic people, almost so I had no so them. Who say okay fine, and that's African movie in a general and sinking call from sorry African movie will be at the Nyako channel in Nigeria. Yeah, Ghana funny the service products aqua PSB you say about from Kakra. Into investing in a Ghanaian movie like that ain't easy. I mean any promoter and I say any business investor be rem 1 2 okay.
That's but even this one, who has a more strategic because you added a Nigerian guy who is very popular and doing well in the movie scenes. But still, now I'm Fadia. I said,
yes. To the numbers, in your numbers, no. If you saw social media trends and everything, but on ticketing and quarantine normal. So we organize that. Be a ticket. Okay, fine. This is the capital. And at the same time, no so be a unit sponsors almost bit my and I make kind of say holding these 4 great celebrities no and easy. One thing I said, these 4 people no more difficult. So come you'll be on difficult. Can be a day. Am I? But these were people are normally very flexible.
Yeah.
Some of the things wasn't KOC sika crash to your mom no boa escape MIA. It came to a time Omwan Kasakra was even using their own phones to take some videos to edit and send to us.
Wow.
Say be a videography be an asu bisano. And even at say airport, you call maybe a check-in your bags you be check-in, you know. Celebrate be have some bags am dey kono. Men ka say be afa. O no maybe come dey ho. Na be a you know luggage you know weight na be pay. But this is whereby oh we say fa we be come dey ho na you the same weight you know. Fa we be say I mean no me reasonable. No me reasonable.
Wow.
Tempen konen na be a we reach out to business people over here, and I say, I'm sorry to say, I'm sorry, American, because this is sorry, be on a platform to say theater. Some for be no bidding come, but in a sa, Anna, I say, over corner on by at the end of the day, after most any panaba, not from us as a summer. And make I say, me call for Brian, technical team for me, say, or someone will say. I say yes, I'm planning, but right now, all the bills be bad.
Yeah, bad.
You don't have no.
Yeah.
Now you just release it until.
Wow.
It's a challenge, yeah. But if you are, money up on the way I see Kana, you beat my day. I couldn't him. Kana, be a cassia band, came Massa, king in a hobby. But these are the challenges. He was okay. Young fan call, I sorry there. Maybe I won't high, but I sorry them cry. Young fan corner was where most of us the head they want to. To be a good theater, they want to French ye theater, ye chow, ye but no, so challenges in the day. Invest the beer, invest, yeah. Omega said, my investor back, I mean, returns wasn't. Hey, I will resign, and I say, maybe later on, yeah.
Wow, Joba, yeah, that's if you sign up pay we're breaking it down. Watch it, you are one of the best event organizers in the state. Your best say, especially for your fellow Ghanaians, you know. Now, my name is Sam. I saying ye, keep pushing for us. Why? Your best say.
The Mammy Fakoya is found that Mr. Ampedu, Welbeck Ampedu.
Straight up, my boss, no.
Mr. Boss, the bigger boss.
You're your boss, no.
I've been working with him for 3 years.
Wow.
In Oba State, which is Africa most beautiful over here. I've been learning a lot from him.
Chichi. Wow, that's nice. I was more on some Pedro. I can't sort of my MC or home. I feel my next year, I'll be hosting. Next year, I'll be hosting. Hey, Job.
Africa was beautiful.
Yeah.
We are also putting in structures. I mean, it was beautiful.
Wow.
It was.
I'm proud.
Amen. And I'm also proud to meet somebody like that. And I'm a team. I'm not here. Okay. Nana Adom. I say, but I also Edina in India.
Wow.
And Isaac of Creative House.
Okay.
Also asset. Adom TV so followers and will be also asset. Thank you very much.
I answer na major kwino say obi Oscar na so person ye dey bia futu be na de be ma no.
Obi Oscar no person first of all on looking into the masses of the business no.
Okay.
On tias
Okay.
So one tias I would say to say make us me name team 3 guys nyina cinematographers nyina ya tisini na se
okay
omo kana asante on tisini twa ase a wo ntwase ni
okay
ya tiase nye di ho awuram nyina me say eka bi ba nkire say eno ne besa ya den aba ye red carpet eka anya den amma saa
okay
and this is the first time I dey akoto oh say kebia in one state dia kibe hu ha be siare ami ehwan ha ye mboka but this is our first store into na bibia mo so first time no obenya challenges ye den ewo nti so obu sika na so ba be bibia on te ade na oba be ye den oba be ye na one plan ye and some why dey
why
yes
but wait a minute Joe as I come on I me depa because me tell you say ti patwa da ma gina so na yen hwe God is African no kakra bi mana yen santo an come no so da ma joba. All right, thank you. Nina, yeah, she home come no. I don't know why share kakraba no na. Emerdu see be premier organa. Me sure say by now kwa sini mesni ade no. Mo patronizing she be my. But Joba me hu some call NDA cry ho no mo. Na don kwata. Me hu say audio mu ra ho na. The promo no was tight. You really did it.
Yes.
Because I saw it all on social media. Maji demonia there.
Nana from afar, she's more like a sister to me. I started a program and I said the social media Bibiana. I mean, I was also part of it, of the journey, you know. And to be because to be and I said Joba Timbaby and we reach out to her, said Nana also so right now, no, you can social media 10 times now, or as I say, power. And to also try also promo for us. And Tina, you call on to this time, you can say, man, in a day. And my but yeah, but
that's nice. That's nice. Ghanaian artists and all the way in terms of promotion, or we are cry on fading into the social media. One year who did they cry my end say, in terms of that promotion side, you know.
I was waiting for that question. Thank you very much for that.
Gracias.
I mean, most of the Ghanaian artists, I mean, not on my end, you know, this is the biggest challenge. As I quite remember, Red Carpet. Now, this producer, Samira.
Oh, okay.
Nah, yeah, and amazed. Yeah, artwork, and yes, oh, yeah, Jackie Massey, your time being able push to. And yes, oh, yeah, for 2 weeks. 2 weeks before the program, no, now they are pushed to. And I'm so, we are the side, yeah, a wedding, our also, there be a hard dear Ghana, dear, 2 weeks, no, not so, yeah, all my hype, no cost right before it, and I'm so. Ghana is different from United States of America. This is whereby time and data are really flyer now. Also secure time. Let's say Obinya off from work. Onya off for bit my day. I catch any manager says I did to with you. Me pesa time mon fam me. Nebia mon food be the and this one man not frequently no ma these actors and actresses now day. I'm post here. About then she now understands okay after Matias and Tiasia one moment Tiasia how they would tia Ghana no yen pay a baby and I shall see to me possess here proud be between go phone pay attention I'm say metin more can as but how long yesa will be but ticket of a so whole page so post to say even 2 weeks or another 1 month can on say day
yes
what post but okay page yeah what you promo but actors or actresses no post to you say now
yeah
that's what post to and then this is our challenge but I think say after no Matias first no Matias sir so no Matias the like of I think 2019 the same thing happened that was baby mama Tracy Boache and also Moisha Budon the same thing oh yeah check a crying in so this is America why you say you're Matias just coming you know and Matias and when it comes to American because I'm back because say actors and actress no more quite to do on phone edit no send there this is what Matias media no crane no America so she got Africa all of them will push to like day in and day out to get before me free Ghana eba be do harm yes me do harm no me or me say
me that say sign up
so we push to na push to over breast but from my the Matias
yeah that say yes you mo be kasa wa ha say na form ntia ya almost from my holding boa social no eso but I see say Juba onya amre ni mechechin komo it's very insightful yes you na be film I hope say about pnu ma baby e wasa na mechechin komo
anytime me boss na for me Mr. Vadu we dey na mo ka
me that say Juba me that see
3 a.m. more American
what time no dia what time no dia
3 a.m. now say over sorry about the Zoom meeting and I say interview I mean he's my bigger boss
but I say me that see piece say onya bre enemy etwetwen in komo I see Juba event promoter organizer Yapane say okay executive producer ne ho for God is African on Pascal Amanfo big congratulations to mungina was mo bonsem fama omo my ade say mo say artist na ni mo te Ghana ni in general e wa abrochi na nti artist ya best show enough from wow what hey wo ye show wo kro mo etesen wo artist no wo ye show wa etesen na re say obi ti abrochi ti a wo mtiti snow no watimi aye show yes bra wa wo me promote wa wo mfa nto ho ukojina stage so na wo da Yaba say haji because Nigeria for ye kwale bebe asaka ne DML omo ma ben kwale omo bebe ye Nigeria for. Omo timi feel stadium. Oh, mo ya mo say numbers na mo me say on say DNT. And Ghana your biggest artist cry till now ultimate feel stadium. Oh, mo ka ho bi. Ya. Obi fan si kan sha dem. Now what no wada. O si 2 weeks me promote. How? Wake up. Nya mo ho adro na yen kwa enim kakra because and then kwala nyina feel stadium. Ya. Ba ni nyina echi no won san hwa de kakra ma na nkofo adu ma woda. Me kan me down na me wehwe mo birthday sa. Ghana artist mo ije bi dodo. Mo sorry one by one yen kwa enim. Pastor mo hwa de na yen to asosisi. Tino ya di be senior Adam nyina wase. Na Welbeck Kofi Ampadu ma memfa akwenye so fankra ema ho. Nya se obaji udin sa na okọ unu aketwa na eneme. Wo ya wuji udin abrochi memu a wo kwe ya wo kwe ye. Ha? Aja George, Mr. Fred Kofi na ne nkasa se. Wa ni say stand be a guy ho. You play with mafia but no lie. Eti mo me mo sama Welbeck Kofi Ampadu ni chi mu do. Maka ne serve value with TV so say the boss will be out o woni ndi fa ni a wo je ho. Fufu part ni juba bebre no. Odi anim tinye mo wan se juba e ka se bibi se mo hia mpadu a mo hia sister sani mo fa nhia ma no na size 30 na mfa ma ne ma obai perfume pe no de bre mo say mo fa keka na on fa mam mpadu abeda wase wodwuma pa wudi magana ajubi ekufu e di na woda mo mon se so fa nyu to ase ya ni dwuma ko ni nyina se ma woda pa shonko nyame ensha mo nyina bebre yesen kwatenti next year by this time yet nkwam ni esa e we shimo ma me ndai dem ase PR said design me dana say osmosis so me sound guy ma me dana say wo be Kofi Ampadu me director obi anim Ampadu me director tell me say me producer Richard and so camera guy me da mo nyina ma Sleazy and e chi mani ma mo makeup department Miss Goldie's boutique e she matade or Santa Maria Blue Kiosk makasa ma me no or the new arrival scrubber was so kuhye Miss Goldie's boutique so for ma me okwa abomidin Blue Kiosk a obe Miss Goldie's boutique e ho ye beda mo se fiada da sene ya be say Ampadu me no be chi ho me no mi o sha mokroma boza macau
asem yidiko hinna beka akwasi insia commander 6 kano senior
yebo bi ache mama kwaba nyame adom ye ho ye yidi sa wonsom ho ye ye kano senior etie kontompo nada enim ye de nyame suro nipa ho do oman Ghana kanko ye yompuntuo ene chichire oman Ghana bedidi akwasinsia asemi di kabre ena aso ba quickly mo adwuma ba ko bia ye beti e de every honum chopa ye ti e de efro na ye de akode ama adwumaku a eye affected e was asem amafo ebeka ya on the 25th of July afimu Gina abeka se adwumakuo ya ye friend no Mompe Ventures ye watakrade watoye mantemu as a result of Auditor General's report 2021 ye ba bonte be gina kan wasem no HM se na adwumakuo ne de ka aban etoka 15 million Ghana cedis ha ya ne gina ne kan ye se Auditor General's report about it say adwumakuo ne de Ghana aban etoka 15 million Ghana cedis. Yewi adwumadie no enna adwumakuo no mpanfo twen ya adwini si so say as of the time Auditor General's report by any time na year broadcasting Auditor General's report no na adwumakuo no enne aban ka 1 peswa 1 peswa mpo na adwumakuo no enne abanka ye wose GRA and ejinma aban no na adwumaku efe no Mompe Ventures ye watakrade in the western region and Ghana abanka even 1 peswa but we felt for Auditor General's report inti ne be wajuma but ye who said e ba no na ntisa so on behalf of Assembly team ye the chopper kese e call the Mompe Ventures so mo fan chain for that publication here free Auditor General's report 2021 ya so bo ho dawro e wa semedika so how be the average meko no omofa enche And so this is a letter signed by our head of news and current affairs, AC Ohine. Mameke can send yatre kratano one must. Retraction and apology to Mompe Ventures by Asemi Dika. Asemi Dika would like to apologize to Mompe Ventures, Takra, the Western region, whose name was the subject of our broadcast on Asemi Dika on Badwam on July 25, 2023, to the effect that Mompe Ventures owes tax to the tune of 15 million Ghana cedis, based on the published Auditor General's report of 2021. The company's management and lawyers, Ousu Ankoma, Akomensa, Jiba and Associates, have served on us better particulars on the issue. They have drawn our attention that, as at the time of publication, Mompe Ventures had no tax liabilities and therefore the publication was not factual. We deeply regret the error and unreservedly apologize to Mompe Ventures for any harm caused to the company's reputation. And so on behalf of our Semidika team, Yepa Edmukono Acho. By osmosis, say Asemidika na ready, Yama Manfo, Ehuno.
Asemidiko, Asemidika, Asemidiko, Asemidika. Inna Beka, Akwesi Insia, Commander 6. Kano Senior.
Kano senior tia efrenra ya no di komo de fa street light ya nya adwuma ho na so Ghana for etwa ho ka and it's a controversy ya abeto the Minister for Energy and the Greater Accra Regional Minister as to whose responsibility and they yet to fix maintain street light e wo Ghana hanom tie no abekire o se ya de bill brewa ya hweswe e ya obi bill electricity bill nti o hwa ase anu a street light and the board den no nam director assign ho da it is 3% of your bill ya utua no into payment of street light. It will share on no dey say ya the bill no 300 I think 38 or 39 yeah. So the street light charge na e wonum sana obia utua electricity bill bia na odie no etie say ya na tie say prepaid o say postpaid o street light bill no e woso eti Ghana ni eye na sede a o say aban so ye na sede e di ma Ghana ni ene se etua ka for street light a o say street light ni ye adwuma but no ye bisa questions na ya kokbu enkratabs ma me fanko Ministry of Energy kratom de babo until August 2021 na share ade ewa ha. So this Ministry of Energy street lighting in Ghana policy framework August 2011 fachemi 2021 2011 rather. So this is it. So this is a policy direction for street lighting. Also, in order to achieve the policy objectives, the following policy actions shall be pursued. Ownership and responsibility for provision of street light. In accordance with the provisions of the local government, that Department of District Assemblies, Instrument 2009, LI 1961, MMDS are responsible for the development, installation, ownership, and maintenance of street lights throughout the country. It is a similar Greater Accra Regional Minister Eka say the Energy Minister will fix street lights for Ghana no per this policy enya no correct. Per this policy framework by the Ministry of Energy you published in 2011 no enya no correct. LI 1961 Eka say nipa ye na sedie to one, develop, install, own, and maintain street lights throughout the country and your municipal metropolitan district assemblies. So maybe the Greater Accra Regional Minister, you've been part of the assembly as an ex-official member. Now we'll try to be an overdraw who kakra and the free, but no come here said, and your assembly no asset here. to make sure that street lights are enya adwuma no eye adwuma because ejije usika ye demand the district assemblies. Why are our street lights not working? Why? Adene street lights no enya adwuma but ye ji ho to me se Ghana ni na antwia ne to a enke dia police for ne asojafo esano adena Ghana ni ye na sedia sebio aban so fulfilling the part no eye difficult. Who will fight for the ordinary Ghanaian? Yetria enso yehunu adenti no semitria street light bill but me namwa street light ni honom. What should happen so? It's a greater Accra regional minister, other regional ministers, MMDs. Sikano way, Sikano away. Say abai for Sikano mamua. Mama young will say central government and for street diabono and for mamo. Yaji for mamo. Komanu Amekato said 2018-2019 Sikanku abanya from street light bill no kwano ne 273 million Ghana cedis. That's 2.7 billion old cedis. Why are our street lights not working? I don't know more charging so more street light. But be a street light Sikano econo. I'll see who. Say what central government, say what energy ministry, say what ECG for, say what district assemblies. Yeah, besides say street lights can you know why one echo? Why one echo? Street lights can why one echo? Tell us. Let us hold those people accountable. Yes, the policy framework tells us we need also maintaining. But who takes the money? Who takes the money? 3% on our bill now year for street light no says the canonical one. We need to know. Energy minister, it's your ministry and I'm going to start policy framework in Ebaye. And I'm watching the part of maintenance. But who received the money? Who? Street lights the canna where your bills so why energy? Why? Why energy? Yen timi ntwe sika ne ehunu ba bi sika ne ko wa bra ye kasa so no ne o se dis career so no yen fa nye eno na mo nkra kuma se takwade mia hodo a eye sum ba ya charge me mam ko amaso na me ne pani o hwe kitawde sam so de ma Electricity Company of Ghana ni komo William Boateng William Boateng no pai. Hello Willie. Meto ka bako de Yada Ghana for the wase. A free no ye bomu aye bisa say. Yi sigi for some bre ye bila. Ye hunu bibi ye friend no street light. That takes about 3% of our bill. Me pato say sika no ho neko.
You me da see. Yeta street light legia now she act na. Check papa say me 30 years and I go 43% of energy charge.
Yeah.
Now street light levy and kasa na mrane shishe no. Tia light na esono. Illumination on say street light you know. Infrastructure na ye so ko eten light na ye so.
Okay.
Infrastructure na kasa ni won see about city push. I say concrete say yeah daddy na yeah de ma family ade nyina na ya lining up me aso nti bebia ewo Ghana ha se dio ewo kokasi no say ye crash bia ye be so light ye be tolor kwan so ne ananti afa wa na ya driver for bia no e street light it is infrastructure no different from street light level na ye come street light level na ka kanya na e so.
Okay.
Esa say me distribution company no me top power no enye free sabio in free about.
Yeah.
The tofi independent power producers ho and I say to for generating ho na emra no mai pure moka pure as na she say emra na commercial side you job ka saa kanea no yɛde meter bɔ hɔ anaa ahoɔden no buy electricity hɔ na yɛ distribute ɛna ne yɛgye sika no it is our light ni bia na kɔ fast street light no ma ɛsɛ sɛ ne account na me gye me sika obi tua saa kan man it is our light na ɛsɔ no ankasa ɛgya fam na yɛsɔ no ɛno ho levy no ɛna yɛtua no it is a sika no bɛgu mu a sɛ yɛtua yɛ bills ne ade ne nyinaa system na kasa calculate dada formula of the 3% of power wɔtua yɛ ka na system na run na wa aggregate ne ho total sum no ti ofutu a ye di tum between ye ne Ministry of Energy ohwe so na ya account na ya hwe ahene sese de man ya de bitua light ne ka sa na mra ne kire na first ana Ghana yanko ye ni se na ya hye mra na ye be ye 23 or 27 ceremonial treat and a fast can you detail light ne ka
okay.
Yes, that the pure the move into 7 Ukraine say ABC neck. There be a quack accounting be a buying a boca as I say, or did become my because I assume there be a
street light now, you channel, a buying boca home.
So we are street light now. As I say, yeah, account light now, your son, as you who may can it here.
Yeah,
it's the meter above. Light no ho akosi na meter na record amayen amount of light na consume street light na consume you be why to be farm about to be here simple estimate this should be is you operate no you drive call you who light from abobo no crowd so wo msenya ni nyina na ya ban ne bo be ko bia na community residential association for na abom light dey boa obi wa na individual or the light na to lo kwan no so or the thing fear there a security light is so triaka. Tabu sekwa no yen share da e me yenim break. The den on here.
Okay, but we need you call side one.
Okay.
Yenim said the policy framework na e da hon mo a e bo street light ho e ban no. E kire se yemfa meter and bo street light ho. Ni ehunu the amount of energy a street light no e consume. A buy street light e bo ne sanity.
Sana mrade chire nti sana ye di adwuma
sana really etie
light na ye di meter bo ho ye di bo ne ye accounting no a na ye ne aban na transe ne ahwe ne a esese ode ne de ma ne nyonko sa balance atin bebem
okay
the credit and debit
ni e Ghana for de pese ehunu nyina ne se ye de se sika ne su o sensu mu na ma calculate na mo de abrɛ se ye nhia 3% of our energy consumption for street lighting. Ghana ni a okɔ ECG atena ye ekotwia say ye postpaid say ye prepaid etwia saade no but onam nkrane ne potamu a esum na wonam why na age say sika no why na ba be fixe the street light e dia ma no
na me chow say wo ba me masre electricity company of Ghana sa emrana o hwe ka street light levy no
yeah
e lighting kane na ho ode na aso na egya na efemu na me ni triaka ama producers na produce power ama me no saa ehu tika na me meje infrastructure no enye me n'adwuma saa na me so bese mi chiri
eti govi really eti se mo tu amukọ mo ni aban ko meeting na mo foto ba akọ agi se sika wegum ekọ mu obi age ne de edekọ no mo da mo gi mo de na eno ano as to nipa o make sure se light na ebeba no enya mo asembiem
ya di saa na mra ne kire se ya di mra ne adwuma enye sika awaje me wa so me light se na wo so light wo fie no wo tua meka
ba wili me tua wo ka for me light a wo so e no me light ne ma
ana me se wo light no emba enye madwuma de afa me sa se me nye eti me ni machines ni fidi a me de ye me di street light enye madwuma nti na nka madwuma nti ese onya abote no onya picture ni yi mate wa se nti ese na wo fie a fa ne ma anya mama se wo prapra wo fie na environment ni poto na yare ni kola na ade aye wo adwumaku e wo wa ono so hwe so problem short e wadi fie ni
okay
and to be the light na be aba undi fie ni na wa e poto wa wo na so hwe na mra adwumaku a hwe so no environmental and sanitation authorities mbeba
okay but who say na make can say for street light no say enye ne ye ya consume anase ye consume ye o we are paying a flat rate. Say seminam ebia se mu street as me hunu me 3% ni de me pomimpo mechia. Enyu konya concern farmer ECG say at least yes you discuss say the frama for nchen. We should know or see any other agencies they collaborate to make sure say the service now people are paying for no or menya.
Collaboration no dey say oh nti be yi no so free no. Say you wie kwan na me hu see a year repair works. We twama. Okay. Me hu be bi no mo fa me so my driver fa na light so I started so. Because then you must have technical advice no. You consult wie a electricity company of Ghana and the air sure say there's a transformer nearest transformer na dey be feed light no. The light na okọ baby a ebia emma no has nothing to do with power na just because area ho nyina na light ho. Okay. The other answer. It is a structure no and infrastructure na kasa any adwuma na asay and editority a yo one ehwe so a omi ni and the electricity company of Ghana. It is one draw line here na one shana ya anti ase. It no media when me transfer here negotiate William ya ye we wie assembly a city side we the person the light too. The committee or assembly ya kwa assembly meeting or rep ho. Okay. Technical advice is okay. You be pick one na mo to go. Here be see electricity pole ni ade. Here the transformer be see ho. Na like create na like them. Okay. Now we see infrastructure no say there. And come a mandate to. Nti ni die ni ade am de ba be yes ade. But
your Bobby be area na de kan atum.
They contribute to a meeting. Okay. And I am a word in Swam, Radman, Quayam, and now, yes. Cases were corporate social responsibility. You can apply a by ECD. Yeah, I call. You can say I bore my street like I'm a corporate social responsibility. I did at Chesapeake. Yeah, they boy your mind.
Philly? No one, what can why are they say, oh, the Amudian emoji, but baby, I can't call it a bad yama so be.
I say my committee or assembly. My committee will be because assembly. The contractor, technical advice about my chair and come in Monday.
And one, why you there?
My every transformer ready. My every poor ready. Hey, let this mama more than I hear you. Okay. Why I'm I am on.
But William Boate, customer for Edema Electricity Company of Ghana. So we are still asking.
It's with us,
Yes, street light sikano ewo hefa. Yes, street light sikano ewo hefa. Asemi edika osmosis. Esa wa munyina kwa babiem emfamra bedwam dwumadi so on Adom TV. O hwe live ewo DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 so o hwe so on sanso na be hwe live so Facebook and YouTube a Adom TV. Ubetimi so akọ me akasa personal page akwasi insia_official. Na SH like it na e follow ja comments to streaming as ye beji brem there kan e mama for happy birthday e confirm Madam Felicia enim ya wo Adwagiri wo Nsawam in the Eastern region ma me ene your birthday happy birthday nyame wichira no nyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa we free wankasa o mama nana ya aduako poachi afi Abigail afia ohine obenewa Eddie and if one kasa babema Solomon Sasu. Yes, I wish you happy birthday. Nyamishra no nyo kese kopim so beye kese pa me ka se Mr. Abemu aya wasi so obobra. Wunya so be to fie. Why? To fie. Na da high board den e won kran. E wu na no msi TMP pa office na constituent ba kwa fe na bo me dan ka 90 million. Bizan say when you be number so and I said that you mean bi. Yeah, that can go them. Kakra na patrokita no sie ni kakra ka betimi atofio ate. As low as 300,000 Ghana cedis. Skani ya kase pa woni so pa o sha se wo to ni kakra akomiti wo Twitter. Obetwa wie kura wa wonya we. Adom City Estate. Ada mo se bra beji 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. The chat semi detached executive. Ya na bo e wo fom. E obia enso ye kama pa enso kanea akwan ye. To call my woman from what 0308 250 068 0308 250 068 for Adom City Estate near Piffy Papa and Mount Netremo Wasum etimi enyo enra NDC amayo kodam kuma yo message your film sentre phone share mu na omo sem nyina etia wane se Amarado ye oda Bank of Ghana no ne peniphobia kan ho within the next 3 weeks 21 days counting from ende on starting packing the niema and free office because wama Ghana aboka about 60 billion Ghana cedis. 60 billion Ghana cedis. Yes, offer that time omodima Ghana boka no. That's the exchange rate in Kra a best 10 cedis to $1. Now we are talking about 6 billion US dollars. Twice of Sika yeji at the free IMF. And where Sika na ka Ghana maybe just maybe na hu hia se ke be call IMF. Onwanya for Erikopoku. Mrahye bedwane. Okoma hye fiam so a bedwaku ehwe Ghana kua wonsem ene koko nsensem so odi mutintima ye pa. Or a ranking member. I can't say, oh, you mean D and command. On a book there. I'm a communion. To my year fair. Ah, say Ghana or the FA. I did be in Ghana heavy affair. I'll say any Nijo. Not your mamma for whom say, Honorable Eric Puku. Open commentio. Okay. Retaining your seat here difficult and I said you crowd. Oh, me say my heading. Say campaign there e bia na form. Yes, you 2 years and but me gidi say nya adwuma heading sir. NDC chances of constituency the year yesterday for NDC victory 2024. Let say. Oh, me gidi say from my Ghana to see there. Yenya we see the hakredi adakasi was here to about NDC MPP onu say NDC ba win. Eden we are from here. Wa onu say man ko yi. Enti say bra na MPP na do media akonwa first no. Okay. Sabe no ma akonwa so da otimi ka de obetun akam ya ba na dey on record. Okay. Na ne record so na yehuni. Ene from my Ghana yi. Obi say obi aba bia bato be kwa bi say obi ad na ni kire kire no. Ba ye nyina mo mpa say be nyankwa. Na ya boy ka ma minka bi no ho ban kopem bra. Yebeto abano baka constituency senke kuaye constituency dia ho kire na ate esi honom mu wadwane mu akwan ye mu wonsuo mu wonkane a constituency with challenges. Okay. In fact aban we buy no efa development party and koso ye constituency sir ade ni ma bibra ka kire met me amount examples bibre but I think say na focus party press conference no. Yes. Na eno so nsam go munti na me fi se menya brekese oh ye pepper na because was ye di mi bre nyina e dem because was di bre okay aban we buy no 7 years money yeah me constituency one community crowd anywhere aban na twin light akọ not even one community but the NDC no ye the electricity no equal more than 70 communities you see I come kron kitten a and also munya bi okay but e bi ni honom ebio ever school buildings make me I can hear authoritatively yeah saba we buy and we see 6 unique classroom room baako a mienu baako mienu a wawie akola ko me constituency ho under this government and several others. That is why I nyame hongwa constituency bibida ya nantimu nyina no unhunu significantly say the way ana ye mpuntu dwuma no okay ebisa opposition constituencies are now say general I think say yeah opposition constituencies kra problematic sure on say odi o man so a enya ba bia etro ba man ko na wo ye adwuma o spreading say be ya ba bia o man ba bia wo bia no obe feel say yes obi bu man no o ye hye be man nipa nyina ho ayedai atom but when you constituencies be break kra wo MPP for nsem a e ho enkoso saa what was it? Okay. On say, your power, education infrastructure, yeah. I was the original minister for Brahafo. Maybe I shan't say you have projects that you rolled out. Now the total now. What the total home baby are any constituency by constituency. And already when you say get funds, so say I could decam. Yeah. And see, Omunyaskasa. Eden the could decam. If you're quite I bind the aquajibusi. One of my approve. What's it? Mona ma approve ye. Aha, no, and say you are me papa. Yet mona ma approve ye, no. Parliament, your first parliament, no. Not MPP or majority. Yeah, the 7th parliament.
Yes, no more majority pa.
Okay.
Enti ya bibi ba na ye kasa ye mpekra omutumi enya omu way out.
Okay.
At the end of the day no parliament approval because majority and approval.
Sure.
But you must understand say nye nyina na ye be friends ade so. In any case, say aban wo ho.
Yeah.
Government na eto abama no. If we say they get fund be see ho under Rollins time. Rollins the adwuma.
Yeah.
Wan fa nkosi agyinamu anyiska. Wan fa amobosia. Amfa kana ntwe yanim. President Kofo bai. Ojije di ye adwuma. Wan fa anyebosia amfa kana ntwe yanim. President Mills bai. Odi adwuma wan fa anyebosia amfa kana ntwe yanim. President Mama bai. Wan fa anyebosia amfa kana ntwe yanim. Why say na do bai die? Ojije no san de agebosia amakaida yanim.
Incompetence.
Eno na wakasa woni dada.
Nyame admo ene University Teachers Association of Ghana and Nkrabete wo University of Education Winneba UTAC for elections no na abrante ba ko Stephen Osei Echao ejidemu epe UTAC president OU and ohwe ne modern mo the charisma the youngest among the competitors kona so no anu magino atumo it is Stephen, I wish you all the best nyame kan ho ne fa nkunimdie ebrefie. Why should Philip Addison resign within 21 days? And yet too short.
Me just say 21 days, no? 3 weeks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Too short.
And yet too short. Sentia, and yet too short, no say.
Yeah.
Philip Addison. Nyamin Nedini.
Governor Bank of Ghana.
Yes, Nyamin Nedini. Ghana, your central bank, your bank, ya, a kuto of man in Esikano. Only the Ashen is a son, no, my.
Okay.
And he appointed 2 deputies. And other directors are paying appoint to in our cano and a Moshe Bank. No. Obakaya, every MPPD Akunya first. No. Bank of Ghana, Ediba say. Commercial banks in banks are commercial bank, Zenith, other banks are here more Ghana from commercial banks. No. Omun Nisika Papa Pagina Chra.
Okay.
Say, Bibi 2 Oma. Between the charge you into Omu Rezi. Omo capital na wose omo de to omo chi asa no matumi aye bank na adwuma and am so say omo aboka omo se sian be say 9 billion Ghana cedis here omo anya banks no betumi akofom nti omo twitwa banks ni bi mo ema omo gu no kra ema bi for say oh ye banking sector no robust na ejina brane na etumi support oman no amampuntu akoso Ghana for ye wie no ye spend 25 billion Ghana cedis say the banks no ejina yi. In fact, Bank of Ghana bia no wadwuma we central bank bia wadwuma we ya ahodo mienu principally wadwuma kese pa ye mienu. Number 1, price stabilization.
Okay.
Or said nyoma bo e kosoro inflation ni ade no e Bank of Ghana so die say we dey monetary policy. Now advising government on fiscal policy.
Okay.
Because government dey tax ni ade no ba na yetimi man nyoma bo ye dey ejina. And all over the world Central Bank be adwuma say obehama yenya price stabilization.
Okay.
Number 2, na adwuma so obehama yenya financial stabilization. Na sikasem obi pesika ko adwuma ko bank obenya bi bank we adwuma ko yie ano so ni nyina na adwuma no. Sa nyoma mienu we Bank of Ghana fail. Nyoma mienu we wa fail. Price stabilization. We have 2022 budget now.
Yeah.
The 2023 budget the adwuma sisi ya.
Yeah.
Aban be ready budget no. Projection the ban say afi we nkwa wie no. Ye benya inflation a free 6 ekodu 10%.
Okay.
Target a Bank of Ghana asset no. Omni aban.
Okay.
Inflation between 6 to 10%.
Yes.
Ye drew June ya July Obama media review no.
Yeah.
O see now 42.5%. Afi omo forecast say at the end of the year no, ye benya be 31.3%. Na just say 6 to 10 no ya yira hokra.
Yeah.
Inflation so ba bebreba. Unim say ade bia woto bia na ne boy dey kosoro. Na ma usika na ho de aye dey ayira. Enti de oma no 1 million 100 Ghana. Na otimi to cement 1 bag no. And I say fans to cement fans 10 bags bra.
Yeah.
Fans 10 bags. Ade a chine se nima bo kosoro or the call better 6 bags. Na we lose be say 4 bags. Na masika ni mo aye dey aye ha.
Yeah.
And also Bank of Ghana we ye man yo ma boy dey ejina. Bank of Ghana na twesika gum. We twesika be say 80 billion Ghana cedis. And
ɔde abɔ Ghana ban bosia ɛna sika na watwa gum de abɔ bosia no ama nneɛma boa ayɛ dɛ apagya ene sɛ aban na nkasa ɔbɛko atia inflation no ɔno mpa aboa ma inflation ayɛ dɛ ayɛ kakraka te sɛ adeɛ bi ɛtɔn no mamu bia ne bo kɔsoro sɛ dan kora na akɔsi ni na ne bo no sɛ ne last 2 years wobɛtumi de 500 million ne wobɛtumi de bɛsɛ 3 billion na si saa ɛdan no na yɛyɛ hawe wɔ mu nie
okay
ɔman bia wɔ mmara deɛ yɛhu ni nei aman bia hu bi pɛn aman bi wɔ hɔ a aban bi bɛdi akonnwa no ɔgyiska from ɔmo central bank twɛs kama me edu baabi no sika na paper okɔ Asia countries ni bi hɔ a baabi wɔ ɛtɔn sika odwom meboa wobɛkɔ na sika no gu ɔsɛyi okɔ yɛsiesie sɛ bankye ɛna ɔmo tɔn because sika no ni value sika bia nso twa no bebree a na sika no ho ni mfasoɔ bio na mu ayɛ ha obi amfa nyɛ hwee bio and so yɛde mmara ato yɛ sika sɛm ho Bank of Ghana na nsi wɔ no yɛde mmara na ɛteyɛ mmara no se Bank of Ghana Act no 2016 under President Mahama ɛne yɛsesa mmara no
okay
na deɛ hyɛ hɔ dada no kyerɛ sɛ Bank of Ghana ebetu ama Ghana ban bosia na mmom bosia bi ɔdɔma ni bia no saa bere na yɛ 10% of afie twa mu no total revenue a Ghana ban nya yɛ tie ni o
okay
edi wɔ 2023 ni 2022 Ghana ban nya total revenue say yɛmfa so nya bi a 100 billion and your Bank of Ghana wɔ tumi sɛ 2023 so pebosia wobɛma no 10%.
That's 10 billion.
Yes, of last year deɛ no. Sa de number na tie. And 2016 years answer there be 10% no dɔɔso. Yɛdi agorɔ betu ama ɔman bi bia yɛ dɛ asɛe. Ti yɛnte so mra 5%.
Yeah.
And the president Mahama ne yɛsesa Bank of Ghana Act no section 30 ɛne yɛde hyɛ hɔ sɛ deɛ bɛyɛ ne sɛ obiara aban bia bɛdi akonnwa bia ni kwa so tumi gye bosia bro 5%
from Bank of Ghana.
Yes. Of previous total revenue no. Previous year's total revenue no. 5% from Bank of Ghana. Ni kwa se bro sa. The maximum between akwa 5%. Enti se aban ekọ so okọje bosia o Bank of Ghana. Okọ 2022 so 2021.
Okay, before I be call so. Abra ye nsakra wo sa mamre no. Ye kita for unexpected emergencies.
Yes.
Say yes, ye twa 5% there. But e could do so man ahun ye hia no could do pension bi say ya. And say betimi akọ more than 5%.
Good. On say answer na yes samra na ye ni say no.
Yeah.
Under Article 181 aban betimi agebosia bia. Ba bosia bi obaji say Ghana ha o say ya brochro e subject to parliamentary approval.
Okay.
Whenever my parliament and the Sasha say Ghana for aye dey ajedu ko ye car obo ato na da chi aman for aye dey atua.
Yeah.
Again, yasa establishing Ghana Stabilization Fund. Oil scanner yenya no. Yede 21% etum. Sa huchire bia ba na ntwa ho na ntwa. Sa sika we ni emfa hwe o man na chi.
Okay.
Edu ya COVID ba ye no. Eno ni sika o man panyini ba parliament say stabilization fund na mo boto ho no. Ebra so se fa. Enti ye be first can bi na de akoye ho adwuma. E na parliament ne sa sha ase e na yelu. Eno ni sika de sha ase ye de COVID anso ansa. E na yesa wo emergency fund ye boto ho. Contingency budget bia or contingency dey e wo ho se be ya se bibi ba na yan plan kra ye betimi dia ye dey esia no now Bank of Ghana dey ade a wo se wo ye ne se obema aban bosia kra ye wo limit wo so de ma no
okay
se aban so be LCD down limiter ene ye so ba parliament ne be di hu nkomo hunu the need ntia e wo se wo trust 5% na mrase eni kwa se wo ye dey wo tra
okay they say metwase a there's no even any need say abambe kwa akwaje abro so Bank of Ghana say emergency betu ya.
Yes.
Because already o man hye no ya chiche sika na ma ya nya foto bi de ato for emergencies.
Yes.
Enough.
Enya enough who work the capacity to borrow. The obe borrow bia anso obetimi de abaye ho amaya approve. Enti COVID buy no apart from so first kana o se enso no. Yes ajeje bosia. World Bank breye bi ni approve ahakwaji bi ni approve ahakwaji bi ni approve ni nyina ya approve de maban no and so how come
ebia no how no so chen ni ye wo no
look so how come self fire chi
okay
now call Bank of Ghana na 2021 mrase we here 5% in 2021 now kwaje no 2020 total revenue 5%. Total revenue was around 52 to 55 billion.
Yeah.
Tika we here less than 3 billion. And now between
around 5.2 billion.
Yes. 5% oh. 5% in the year is around 3 billion. Now I call 37 billion.
As against 3 billion.
3 billion.
Over 100%.
Over 100% wa kwache. 2022 osa kwaji bio. In 2022 the now say against 2021 total revenue. 5% of 2021 total revenue. Now asa kwaji 40 billion. Into what is 77 billion, close to 80 billion from Bank of Ghana.
And the Kufuado.
And the Kufuado about 2 years. And now, omo report, financial report, I'm going to say, yeah, the Ghana for you name. The financial report no Friday, Fabra. Whatever you know. And you will say, why CD 5% threshold no? I don't know where CD 5% threshold. I'm going to say, Section 30 no, of Banking Act no. But you would me was this a CD Uduru 5% now? The moment I buy Biabe do 5% now, the Bank of Ghana report to Parliament. Shekatama Parliament, never Minister of Finance. Say I buy no edu threshold no of 5% no say aye dey aka. Na Parliament nya way. And say the minister no aboy amane officially say ampa omajibosia 5% no every ho. Ni nyina ya nche honhwe. Na de say one say what if we na ma ban wie no and was say says can buy into anti we twam afri no kontra nu all writing off
all right 77
all right this year we writing mu 48 billion you writing off aban ne ka biu
enya Ghana for
ndi ashegu bad it eno na you say write off nso no emrada ho
yeah
Public Financial Management Act na 2016 ora mama ye wo Ghana no de ba abra badwam ma parliament G2 ma assent it no emra no say section 53 wo handle man sika bia se ba se wo twa sika ni bia mu a
okay
fa ko parliament na parliament anye dey approve
yes Ghana fo nyina na
agya tum se ntia wo se ye hwe se e sika wo se ye twam fi yankuntam se obi mfa so be twa sika dia ma obi na kina waka se oh enye ye twam na je se kira ye dey ayira he me ma example bi wa
okay
Auditor General and report ni 2020 aye 31st December 2020 reporter Auditor General the Parliament ni Ose Ghana Cocoa Board write off of expired chemicals and fertilizers without parliamentary approval. On say bra NDC wa go 2060 year to fertilizer be clear not for sale not for sale. Na ya de make phone free.
Yeah.
MPP buy no so beto make phone 80 per bag 80 Ghana per bag. Ekwa phone ntimi anto. Enti egugu office no bebre proy. Obeka me ye ho press conference. Eko community no be ko hwe bia na progu no. But the proy no ani nura na say nyina expire no. Ehoka na ye 24 million Ghana cedis. 240 billion OCs. And say ye. And a cocoa board on crata mu shem say enura asay no ye 240 billion OCs 24 million. And a board of directors no ko meeting say mummy ntwam. And no motra ho no mu yi kan free so ma writing off. And Auditor General ko no say de ma ye eni ewa betimi aka say etiamra.
Yeah.
Because section 53
do pay
section 53 of the Public Financial Management Act say would be for penny day interest.
Okay, so 1280. We noted during our review that the board of directors of Cocoa Board approved the write-off of 23,957,525.07 Ghana cedis as the value of expired chemicals and fertilizers from the books of Cocoa Board during the 396th meeting of the board of directors held on Tuesday, 30th October and 2nd November 2018. Management, however, could not provide evidence of parliamentary approval for the write-off of the value or loss from the books.
Hey,
1281. The board of directors were considered as the highest decision-making body of the board, hence the decision to write off the value of the chemicals from the books of the board. Failure to seek parliamentary approval could lead to unlawful write-offs from the books of the board. We urge management to seek retrospective parliamentary approval for the write-off of 23,957,525.07 Ghana cedis, failing which the value shall be recovered from the board of directors in accordance with section 118B of the Audit Service Act 2000 Act 584. We also urge management to ensure they seek parliamentary approval for all write-offs in the future.
Management can say their response is there. Management response.
Okay. So manager, 1284. Management responded that management of Cocoa Board will bring to the attention of the board of directors and liaise with the Ministry of Food and Agriculture for onward submission to the Parliament of Ghana for retrospective approval.
What is it?
2023 minute away.
What is it?
Almost.
Am I?
Eh.
Nti omo do mo pe etwem. And now Auditor General say, hey, the money yetiamra
almost 24 million Ghana cedis.
24 million Ghana cedis. Ye twem afrin kontam 240 billion. Aden man ko bo oman no wo ma gina oman na namu na Ghana fo anya ntoansa na yetwem. Na mrand ye ntia nsa say so anya sa mra we. Na me no ti hey, unya position bi.
Yeah.
Na mo ma dwom ye ka na bi say ka bi eye kafo ye ntwem a obi a betwetwem na sika no ye dey e na Bank of Ghana. So this kakra ma ban na amfa mra kwan so a. Aden no so do pe. Sakasa says can watch him. Like I say, Ghana mrana. It's ya dia ye can say. Yes, emra a desika hye ho no.
Okay.
What tie ni nyina so. Na eno ka ho na di oyo no kese e di abre omen. Na yan 60 billion kana wabɔ no.
Okay.
Asema ye wo ho no eso. De ntia wa asem wo ho no me be kire wo yie pa. 2021. Otwa sikani bi nyina no e de ma aban no. Bank of Ghana enya mfaso omu declare mfaso ana ye 1.2 billion Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
2021. Ebedu 2022 a afi ba ko pe o. Ya boka 60.8 billion. Enti na o kan we use ne exchange rate nkra say 11 a.
Yeah.
Still a 6 billion US dollars. And a ye ka o mabo. And ye bisa se ka no ye bo no hene omo de ye dan.
Okay, e kan wa chirechirem. Bank of Ghana's annual report and financial statement signed by Dr. NSKY Addison, Governor of Bank of Ghana. Bonta would say, a kind of domestic debt exchange. Yeah, buying a year.
Good.
2, budgetary support. Any loan you can want to me.
Oh, the man buying.
Yes. And now, the next one, no, NCA, or more operational cost, which took about 7 billion Ghana cedis of the entire car. Yes, so mabo.
And only a problem because you're power. I'm feeling in Amra.
Okay.
Here, almost say, almost your communication expenses.
Yeah.
Nkomodia, some months and trafona, on board, mamma board, the room, omu. So telephone costs, no more year, yo.
Omu too quaint.
No, also communication expenses and your travel, a better travel. So, communication expenses, I say 2021, Oboka 30 million, 574,000. 30 million, 300 billion. 2022 by ekoye 32 million 320 billion.
What about your fees Bank of Ghana buyana?
Because conclusion.
Okay.
Say communication, you know. Dear communication.
This is the Central Bank of Ghana.
Yes, and Bank of Ghana, yeah. You did 320 billion and air communication.
The security aspect of our Central Bank.
Press conference on here no chairman. Is it the case? Okay, number 2. Or say TNO. Banking college, any monetary institutions, you know, expense our year one.
Okay. 2021,
Oboka 9.4 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
That is 94 billion.
Yeah.
About 2022, no, Echo 113.2.
132 billion.
132 billion.
It's not because of inflation creating our account.
Good. O de sa o ba unya hu ni ye. Afi na ba tie ni ye pa bra. Afi personnel cost. E car wutuatu ama adwumayefo no. 2021 omutua 1.2 billion.
Okay.
And the man adwumayefo. 2022 omutua 1.6 billion. Into market you can scale back on a 360 million.
A salary increment and as allowance increment.
Personal cost, yes, it could be anything. And your salary allowance.
Okay, the salary increment.
Fansa.
Which was in the right direction.
A whole problem one. A whole problem one.
Are they?
We are increasing by 67% too.
Because of inflation and I'm 42.
I'm to market to 67%. Yes, sir.
42.5.
Maybe to market to 67%. Yes, sir.
It was 2022.
Yes, in 2021, I can feel no more. I'm to buy 67%. Yes, sir.
In fact, 2022, inflation numbers are 54%.
It's not inflation to market. Yes, sir. Okay.
Maybe.
Okay. What about other workers in what country? So even including the president.
Obi on the
president Aketuam sir. When you say Addison was Aketua president of Ghana.
Oh yes, and there's someone on my share.
One share.
And you Ghana my share Samran.
Ghana na share Mrano.
And says most CEOs
on the trauma market. Autonomous institutions no.
Because of a Juma
on the trauma market. Yes. Omajuma me to man the trauma market. Now Aketua kase na wo gini nyina no. At the time oman no ho akere no ama akokra bre wa bi odini sika kosie bank. Yaka chance of pension kra won sanka ya de ko yaka. Ama ya tutu yaka bebre ahye yanim no. Sabe wotu Aketua mba 67%. Wotu Aketua mba 67%. So wodwe ye ho. Wodwe oman no ho bi de. O ka oman no ho bi. Then again, hwe or say foreign and domestic travel akwantuom tutu no Ghana no san call abrochire 2021 wutua 28 million, that is 280 billion. Okay. 2021
okay
2022 equal 970 billion
and obiaya we say 2022 na flight fares kosoro na flight fares kosoro
ana ya to take it him
na kosoro na kosoro say any other say
oh when come Eti Ghana, one Bank of Ghana. Okay. Nipa one floor we around 2,000.
Okay.
Almost the 970 billion OCDs. And the two quite okay.
Oh, but you are talking about the central bank.
Yes. Now, one crowd account. Was it 287.8 billion? 287.8 million Ghana.
Yeah.
That is over 2 trillion, close to 3 trillion Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
And the other expenses you demoding. And the other expenses you body any.
Central Bank of England aboka almost 150 billion pounds.
What the central Bank of Ghana called to Central Bank of England?
No, me can't in country.
What they got to one? I don't know fan to Cote d'Ivoire. I don't know Cote d'Ivoire. I'm Central Bank Moka. I don't know Togo Central Bank Moka.
Cote d'Ivoire Central Bank.
I don't know Nigeria Moka. Some Cote d'Ivoire
yes
transform.
Yes.
Nigeria. Other countries say Africa hey why? I don't know more reference England. The economy no any England they say. Ghanaian economy. What between the two England economy on? In any case, are you telling me say Ghana hoche na Bank of Ghana kan wana?
Bank of Ghana. In fact, omo na di muntinti man.
What do you say I me no ka say? Ghana Cocoa Board. Omo issue cocoa bill. So ya we. Bosumi nsia bia wa obeto no na Cocoa Board enya bosia. No de aye na adwuma. Bosumi nsia no atuansi ho aye dey ama. Omo issue no, the interest to say February crowd no say 32% interest. Wa beto bia benya 32%. Enti Bank of Ghana ma banks no commercial banks no totoye. Ti Ghana GCB me koto bi no nyamfa so na mo so de bank ti amanfo deposit om de akọ to bank no banks no fai e de koto to sa bonds no Cocoa Board entua se sia eno ko aye 8.1 billion Ghana cedis om so muntua om so ye DDEP
yeah
so ya we as se sia om se bank no de om ya ma bank no say ye ntua aka no enti Cocoa Board tu kan nyina akọ 2025 to 2029
but honorable
and om so betua 12% interest. The Bank of Ghana says ka we now ha and can't be for being Billy Cocoa Board out.
But honorable Bank of Ghana nya haircut of about 50%. That cost them about 63 billion Ghana.
And only what problem crowd hono. Wa kwa kwaje busia. Ewo Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana ye Ghana for dia. Na buy no beje ye na say busia na beje ye no. Emu 50% ye mintua. Nti shigu e kwa anu ahye egu. So bank no wan dia. So aban bi aba obetu akọ Bank of Ghana busia bi ska yo pe bia no age ade cha no ahegu. Is that the way e be run here man na? Who say ye call IMF just for 3 billion hebra ya bre. 3 billion ti IMF for my conditionality say ye ka so ye metu ye kari bi nhye yanim. Ti me no ti asesi ye we ya aware say Ghana ka no ye tu bi ahye yanim a say ye wu na ye mane na na ka na da yanim a on ba betua. Is that not correct? Say ka da yanim.
Yeah.
Ana Cocoa Board is to be sharing. Other institutions na dey cap as say you be to share nim enkwala metua echirima metua na you spend you can say yamfa so also. It is a 60 billion way yet we bo ho ban. And yet this says emu 3 billion kra e man yanka sa conditionality to
okay to all my missile say when you breaking it down share component by component. How much a cost a year instead of lumping them together say 60 billion 280 million.
As you're breaking down. Mami more example.
Okay.
A billion office now almost no.
Yeah, new office.
Almost new office at this time. Is it important? Why be objective? kanokore se si Ghana ho kire yen ama de yede ye adwuma kra dene finance minister regional parliament aka kire ye say even at the end of December no your import cover cry expect 0.8 months 3 weeks per any benya no 3 weeks import cover any benya sabre we I was a Bank of Ghana kusi office for
Bank of Ghana
now when office now kusi nebo
one starting
about your office now kusi nebo
o say twem 200 million
$250 million
but I mention say one starting COVID time
what's my okay one started COVID time was started time
and it was started before COVID maybe the projections for here no one for COVID
Russia was started the time okay o papa no mama ofie yes dan na no ahonchera ba fie bi yes
okay
nti ya stop down kakra ya discard to nyama kakra kono ya setem ye ya to so enfo so bi ho
e kan so nye bad de
but se sia ba bia ye gina se sia ye as a Bank of Ghana de omo kan Ghana
that's National Cathedral mama yesi National Cathedral mama yesi
National Cathedral za ho nsam kra utimika ba ya point ya pese ya ka se sia ne se sa wo hwe se ne ya handle o ma we sika sem na ya bon ye says can say ya yes Ghana de ka ni aye say oh yeah that exchange ni de ka na to yanim kwala mbeba matua ni aye ni a kire ka na yanim kwala mbeba matua enti ka ya de bia ye tu shadow.
So is it because Dr. Ernest Addison Mpamfo etie mampani asem no tu ho na monte na mo pam na na
say emra na wabuso no
okay
say wo ye obi a ya ye mra say fa ye wadwuma no say go report to parliament
okay
and on report to parliament na asem wo ho ne yanka say de ye te hokwa enti ordinary report about ye hu say oman sika na ye to agusa no e ya de ha adwene
let's what tie mampani asem more than emra na ode ye adwuma
well am famra anya adwuma de aban asem na ye adwuma which is wrong because mampani ni mra na disi ho ono anso di mra so that is why Phoebe Obejina Parliament ekasache that is what ne budget ba when say mampani ko ya de bia na require say onya ya approval obeba for approval aden na wo governor e ma show say we fabra parliament now do pay ayesa de no na ye de ye nwanwan say sa wokwa bobia ho no obu nkonta no say expenses we dey enti modi a yanketenkete bi other expenses and they are na yanketenkete
miscellaneous no
yes but the Bank of Ghana obu nkonta no ka cho say sika ekobe 3 trillion old Ghana cedis eye others on modi a enye hu
ora say
enye hu
hu bad me issue here
say na kwaje ya usuro so bekan
the issue say we are talking about our central bank
yes
we know the kind of even security provided for our central bank.
Look, Mama Gajo, your security expense, Mr. Metran can be. Because my system in the city.
Okay.
Say, Kandapa, a minister for national security. Yeah. Or the account to bar, young people some credit because you say security and never why you modding. Never be home, ya you modding, to know a wing. Or yet in the name of Ghana.
Yeah.
It is our modding cry, you need problem.
And it's
Bank of Ghana. And your Bank of Ghana.
Securing our finances.
Now secure finance now bungunta say others meeting modi what is that na no so chain expenditures ni na
what na say bunkunta o say na nkesika na say bedru say na aburo so amana kodu bepen so
no ye hu ni say sabe we dey nkonta bi atu obi anima we are all rational beings who say we dey annoy dey why is that 2021 what the report on buy no figures no body yanka ho asem o ya dey tin yanka ho asem ya hwe figures no ya say o e bro so bro tanya hwe we dey say at least we ya kra wanya bibi kakra ye dey ato but we dey ne core mandate na nkasa kra wa faili price stabilization say inflation number bi anopa me ba mama chairman nua Dwonkuma deputy minister omo forward the response mama
okay
na me ne ya adwene o say central bank anya mfaso na obokampo na adwuma ide ne share nsa wa ye ne kama asem bia ni ho because all over the world sa na tie na me say John me no ya adwene me kan wie me say me ne John ya adwene me say Dwonkuma ye madam pai ofri me constituency me constituency ye wo no ye friends da but you see the Bank of Ghana so bo kakakaka say na adwuma wo de share nsa so asan failure no so end
ti ade sin kwa no beko
na say e we baby an ko so resign 10 but what we are saying is say I was so resign within 21 days
too short a time
and yet too short
that been we putting in
because kwanya or the Bank of Ghana efa so no who say bin see that in the history of Bank of Ghana since 1957 and Kroma Bank of Ghana what's the Bank of Ghana about Kasida what is the BSida why now
maybe be say
why now
it be you share the value
why now
it be you share quantum no any the time
you be saka we you mo bi Ghana da. In fact, here baby crowd how can you worry
in real figures.
Baby crowd how can be you or say computer related expenses.
Yes.
What you say?
Softwares the board you.
Ne board ne. It's 2021.
Software na ma biggest I be scanning no.
2021. You use 28 million. 28.6, 29, 290 billion. 2021 software no. And your sample changing software no. Is that what you're saying? Ebe you 2022 67 million 670.
There is software every year we upgrade.
Yeah, now upgrade ya. Say 200 ninja. Now be do 600.
All the minority betimi ajebre etimi akwohwe the prices attached to Sanya ye kan wasemi to situate your position.
Na say Auditor General report ni nyina ba ho. Ministers expenses nyina ba ho.
Yeah.
Details number budget here na. Ministry bia otoka o, oto bicycle bibia ba yanim.
Yeah.
Ye hwe ni nyina. Na boa ministers no de brand ne wo mo de hwe nyina no. So betutu we hu de a, we de chese asemu.
We mo bua ban.
Kakrakapa. Hwe. Motor vehicle maintenance.
Okay.
Stroke running. Motor vehicle maintenance.
Yes.
Na 61 million.
Yeah.
2021.
Yeah.
That is 615 billion.
Yeah.
61.5. 615 billion 2021. After a bedroom 2022 bedroom 131.5. 1.3 trillion.
On a book abuso kanche. It can be akwa abuso kanche. On can be. No, serious. Because all of so uko aboso kaya.
I like your argument.
Se uko aboso kaya. Ube say. And container near 50,000 and they could 260 240,000.
That's right.
So certainly
that's why you container.
Maybe just a near mom did aboso can for this year.
Say na.
And I will can aboso can spare parts.
Shop
main shops. It's the one who was stretching. It's let me just say when you break the real value of the component now you can. And
that is why catch us say. Yeah, can say. Say Bank of Ghana bought 60.8 billion.
Yeah.
Banks, commercial banks what Ghana nyina will be aboka.
Sure.
Obi answa dey aboka. Say see our banks no. Omu nyina so ayemre. Bank of Ghana na e wo say nya hoden. Na bank no ho kire wo ma. Wono di wo ma gina no. Wono da fom. Wasan say we negative equity. Negative equity of 55.1 billion. What is negative equity as? Negative equity what is? Here. Fanasa me mortgage.
Yeah.
Makwaji mortgage fee. If you need 10 million. 10 million Ghana.
Okay.
But what you mean?
Yeah.
And a meet you to Busumbia. Eti Busumbia metia kakra. But what you mean? Busumbia metia kakra. Metia me dem fie be miensa na etua metua afedie metua and am say if you no kra metim no valuers mo ma value ma mehwe na mehwe efie no bo sesi valuers buy am say me fie na me ton no 10 million no me tre mo afe no say ne bo ye ton menya 6 million me kan so aka manim 9 million ka san metua it is 3 million no negative equity eti the value of liabilities no aswacha in assets. Yeah. They say Cocobo the hoses here. The value of asset or more. Any one liabilities.
A cow model.
A cow model. A cannot such an asset by 55.1 billion. Yeah, Bank of Ghana near Kayo.
Bank of Ghana same
report no one guy. Negative equity of 55.1 billion.
It's a ton Bank of Ghana Japadia Kurana. Sabasa call IMF BM.
And to say we are thinking about IMF your proposal say as one more person say I'll see a recapitalizing Bank of Ghana. Recapitalization it say
yeah.
One more capital equity no say a caba. Say you see a physical you be wakushim. Now the okote savings and loan bank wo say waboka waguno.
Yeah.
Now one so Bank of Ghana wa koboka we you dey na dey.
Me body about share how NDC year in 2016 one neighbor from Bank of Ghana. But mutimi hold on to our budget. Emi the year juma. Badwam nie, me dey akwasisi ahwewe, ye ba ese. Awa nyina akwa ba pacho, me bi sa se enhye be na de agu akwam bi ma odache. Unse nche okọ ahogiem. O to susu. ana odu sika hwe o manada so maba nyina behwe fan se enimam ye de na so ko for sika di se ne in the Bank of Ghana ko di edie ya that's when de anything na snit say en kan chiro say to be wo munchen enu di me beje ne basa and say not to the IMF na gie den this road retirement age and sane asase road ni kakra de ama it odi ade bia be fe ne seed ese wo ye ankrankra dwuma so ye carpenter so ye mason so ye electrician so ye plumber so ye hairdresser die na wo ye kakra bia wunye bia fakosnet ne fanto ma wate na dachi mi simple wo ma antwo ni ama mehwe wo a obra no anye basa o de from CCA ne no mu ni nkomo 0302 611 622 0302 611 622 me so besi dan ko anso de a for ni echere Adom City Estate ni empedan bi maw as low as 300,000 Ghana cedis obetimi anya 2 bedroom 3 bedroom detached semi detached executive atnem twen kakrakra na foje wankasa ki eko wodemo from 0308250068 me kuna so ya se mede pensen mu bro honorable bi ask him question was Mr. say oye koko kuani na ne koko gu apaso asiyento ana afi nso nyare ama betimi atokoko
o de asembo o de asempa na ba
okay
you know say afi bia no edru June July nansa na parliament e be rise no cocoa board e de bosi an wakoje de beto cocoa no e de ba parliament
e ho krata asem
yes na ya approve
okay
enti ya approve wi a na so manya akonya afi de o metumi akoji sika no e de akoto cocoa no
okay
afi we ye be so na me kra no metu kwai na me check ya na cocoa board ye ne mai enti me a me call company for me say this year say syndicated loan no mai so better mo to cocoa come so mugu so munyanya ska bi sisi ai
omunyo mo be Switzerland for me bi
omunyan say on say ye hwe cocoa a wote ne de abobos
yeah
afi atwa mu no ye nya 683,000 tons
yeah
afi we ahwa ye nya 600 no
ade
say o mutwa cocoa bo no o musisi akuyafo no now the cocoa bag bi akwa abrochira na okoton sa abre na eye last year October no now be nya 1,625 Ghana cedis
okay
per bag and no ma akuyafo no 800 and aban fa 825 Ghana aban no wa fa kese che kuani no
there be auxiliaries were 825 Ghana
what be koto edroni ade nya sa de de gu afuo so ye na abaso kan
but person ni na so kansa as
good afi bi e ka ho 2016 no na cocoa bag oton na brochire 719 Ghana
okay
yen NDC ye ma cocoa kuani 475 and ye fa ne bag bia 244 enu bi ne de to free fertilizer de ma wo mo no enu bi ne de to no gu afuo no so enu bi ne de to petrol wo de be gu afuo no so nyina ne de ma wo mo no afi we aban for the first time aban fa bi e chen akuafo no ama Cote d'Ivoire cocoa board den Ghana de meanwhile we are seeing nyina ye de the best quality cocoa
yeah
ti ye kwa abroche cotton cocoa ni nyina wi a de ne cocoa ye papa ne sama de friend premium
yeah
ye de che ye nyeska chen Cote d'Ivoire omo akuafo no bo kese in the result here na cocoa board report say omakoche track akraka cocoa guso a Cote d'Ivoire why say see ameno ka say report e wo manim say see okọ voter ni otia communities nyina di me wo communities nyina ho akuafo na hata cocoa no ekura wi omunya de obeto PBC ene to cocoa no ho PBC so aban na gu no say PBC de be bia wo mu wo bia afra PBC ni bia bisa
omu ni sika
na be nya ban dia ye wo shares wo ye time no se nya sika na PBC ni mo kese ye time ye rehabilitation of the cocoa bi hotel no Kumasi Kumasi hotel cocoa hotel no no
eno be dem dey see Mahama hostel
nya hostel no ye ni Mahama hostel bia o ba bia ye nya sika ni bi e dey revamp cocoa board
okay
omo hostel on facility a on say coffee cocoa and coffee enti coffee part no eno so ne ayi facilities a na researchers etra ho research enye Mahama project ya
enti Mahama de ne de
Mahama ni hwewom ansana
si musida kese ma
ya bupe ayi sa ayi nkuto factory no cocoa PBC and university home sabe ye benya foreign exchange say no ye lusu election na ba we kura ba no onani call say papa enka covid ba say nkuto na China yiska enka de ye say de sika kura di beto cocoa afi no je sa afi na say cocoa board konya bia parliament ya break ye be resume by October and this almost for emergency no almost have boka de ba asani abi prove e di amom ba bi ejina sesi ano it's not easy na koko board na kufu ado ba yi afi bi omboka omunya mfa so wansi dida na unim 2021 omba ye ni omba kan say o omuye omkonta omboka be 1.6 billion opa mamboka no so tiro kakra 2017 Auditor General report o say afinom dia konwa omboka 395 million Ghana cedis 2018 omboka 78.2 million Ghana cedis 2019 omboka 320 million Ghana cedis 2020 omboka 426 million Ghana cedis 2021 omboka say 1.6 billion Auditor General diaba na no 2022 report no so omboka 2.4 billion Ghana cedis koko bodo wo hobio ono na akọ issue bonds awentment pia say ono so say or the 2 year nim nchiri ma betua no but you see look baby Ghana Nigeria see an ma branch na baba obi amfa na gro na yedie. This is the first time aban bi abedi akonwa bosia o man na je ntwintwendo o say otu ahye yanim na yenyina yetua enje woti asese yi wo ye young man ho fefefe e ka da wanim e bia mentino maimo ono ma mi so se onya dai mentino maimo nyamo ne tin se da mo keka na so ba kura baba betua se da mo keka ko ide wo baba betua ono bo rekopoku wa wie Bank of Ghana na me wie Bank of Ghana me no e wie but nanka Bank of Ghana de no na me wade akito bia nanka mpese o me wie de aha de na mpese me ka editwa to Bank of Ghana de no say wa ho say nipadua utri no say ya nipadua na aka nyina anya problem ana me boa hwe Ghanaians na oma biebie banks Dr. Addison say omanye yi abobo kantu ogu no Ogina Banking Act 931 correct Ogina Banking Act so egu no na wono anso ato Banking Act na twene e dia boka twitwi die we dia ma oma we say amane Ghana epe 3 billion no IMF for say afi we o be man mu eye 1.2 billion oma di ka ma 600 million November o be man 600 million account yes, I say if it's Abrekosi December no, World Bank bebre 530 million. Yes, I say African Development Bank ebe ma 130 million dollars. So see nya sa dollars we nyina Ghana foreign exchange ebe on reserves aye wo no. Ye betim di akra na ma 3 weeks pe. Seska we nyina ba. Sa amade a. Ene yewu. Ye be we na dollar nam 23 cedis. Afi enko December ohu de dollar be ye. This is where we are. Ona ba rekopoko me no sa Addison na ye man adwuma okay one man inflation ya gi ensem in fact inflation enya na hey ye started fourth republic ye nya bi da se wonim say amanya wo Africa e fa say West Africa ha nyina West Africa ha wo de amanya wo madua ne board pa no Ghana ye ka ho tre ye nan fofo ne Zimbabwe ni Congo with such a brain mind but what say ye dua ne board na onim Ebra aduane bo ba di bia no ehia for doso yeah IMF say inflation na Bank of Ghana handle ni ye no ma ni ma bo course no enipa akoya ehia for say akoka ehia for order da no eye 850,000 oka ho bia na ona ba rekopoku na me no etwe enko na ye wie media for mo money me back. Are you ready to partner John Mahama for 2024? Me NDC ni America went through. John Mama, na me na parliament. Ni nyina MPs. In fact, there's a story one day be. Okay. Me ne honorable he. Ye sorry call President Mama ho. Sabe no MP for Bole. Is honorable. Who be di president o? And he said, "Who here ya? Also kan ba but cause ye na ye do ko di president no." Also o me sorry. Na me kuta phone tin man chia mo tin am ka mo fan chia me. Everyone in the oye, Oba Parliament bia, no Baba Chia baby, Tibia Baba Chia. You see, you're a very humble person. Okay. Na Ghana has a yes to grab the president and Kibegun Hufi. Juma, your mama, yeah, Bosnia or G and Numa, or dear Ghana. Now you're painting a certain Babonini Crofokra, young Nubida. Are you ready to partner him? In fact, may end this in your mama na or your leader. So you me some question leader crame. You are running mate. You may be on Basham is a Bia May. You are running mate. Mayandodo. Adwuma bi odome bia me se be ya ndisi be wini but the most important thing is say mo media no eya mo ma enye se yenko an ye wo asodie as opposition see hold you aban accountable 1992 constitution no it provided for monso sure and article 162 clause 5 or say media platforms are Ghana nyina or some bo an hold you aban no accountable okay Sir, a press conference here, minority leader here. Yeah. Where sensitive issues are already here. And then we hear papers here. Baby, we had national criticism said I'm going to be diagro. I was saying highlighting these issues. Not Ghana, you know, this guy. Paper, where is this man? Every paper, I'm glad you can hear. But we are okay. Maybe you are, maybe you are here. Daily graphic, okay. Maybe we are. Mister, what is this? Meanwhile, carry about to you. Okay. Yeah, say you need a crow. Yeah. Namoe. Yeah, you know, the chair. I'm not saying I'm here to boy. What about my buying our book out to him? Watu anim ntizezi awo ebe ya adwuma ne agege moto ne de apiaka no Bank of Ghana nso agu ya bagege motas ne de akohye Bank of Ghana mbio
I so mon pass side no
se tax ne ba ne ma Bank of Ghana ngu ya bajo
Benini akwasinsin akopon ya adwo china ya wo
enti ya sha bu nyira ne se
on the people's forum
we obi nkan jo se nsan ban no e communal labor
ye nyina
in the history of Ghana ye hu ban wa bon say that everybody must be on board.
My problem mabu. Enkumono. Ochira pa be say dey hia.
Okay, so can on botu ani. No say.
I say game park. Tie draw ya eba na di lotto. Ye enko. Background.